out the picture. Doing shit you ain't never seen, my nigga. And she be up for being no filter. Tell me what I gotta do to get out that mixture. Everything seems so smooth, so cool. No, I'ma stay real, but I don't know about you. Yeah, I don't know about you. If I go in my head, just know it's not about you. Bitches, they be flocking to the left side. And all the birds, they be flocking to the bread right. If it don't work first, do it 10 times. Before you see that green light, you see that red light. I can text them, yeah, I won't text send. And I don't love a thought, yeah, that's what text said. All these dollar bills, turn them to my best friend. If I send them shooters, let them know who sent them, yeah. Oh, yeah. On the real, really had to be real with ya. Oh, yeah. On the real, she don't even need no filter. How you get cropped out the picture? Doing shit you ain't never seen, my nigga. And she be up for being no filter. Tell me what I gotta do to get out that mixture. Everything seems so smooth, so cool. No, I'ma stay real, but I don't know about you. Yeah, I don't know about you. If I go in my head, just know it's not about you.
In my penthouse, I've been vibing on the west side. Always baked, it took a while to get my bread right. You might think she average, but shorty my type. Her body started looking better cause the hair right. I know I'm from the 6, but I'm from the West End. And I can hit your girl and she gon' bring her best friend. Tryna stay low key, my boys be bringing packs in. I don't got a front, they know I get the back end. On the real, I just had to be real with you. I just bought the bean and I'ma speak with no filter. You ain't trust my vision, now you cropped out the picture. Pay for all your cases like I did that shit with you. I don't got no filter, I'm never coming to get you. If you just kept it real, I would be counting up with you. I'm a one-man army and I see hate on my radar. Ready for the smoke, I keep an AK for AR. Smoking weed all day, I'm kicked up watching the playoffs. Cause I'm still making money when I'm taking the day off.
How you get cropped out the picture? Doing shit you ain't never seen, my nigga. And she be up for being no filter. Tell me what I gotta do to get out that mixture. Everything seems so smooth, so cool. No, I'ma stay real, but I don't know about you. Yeah, I don't know about you. If I go in my head, just know it's not about you. How you get cropped out the picture? Doing shit you ain't never seen, my nigga. And she be up for being no filter. Tell me what I gotta do to get out that mixture. Everything seems so smooth, so cool. No, I'ma stay real, but I don't know about you. Yeah, I don't know about you. If I go in my head, just know it's not about you.
Say she wanna eat sushi, I gave her enough to go shopping. Anything she wants, she cashing out without the problems. How you gonna love a nigga that ain't got love for your mama? You can die today, it ain't gonna save me never drama. So
working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up.
Hold up, help me fight my demons, I know the usual. I had put a top in her name in a Ruger. She hang on the block where I hang like a shooter. Throw away a cougar, she didn't wanna leave. Treat her like garbage, my heart was on my sleeve. Treat the child better with your company at least. Why should I have love for her, she can get it out the creek? Why should I have trust for you, you ain't get it out the creek? Why should I have love for you, you ain't kneeling to my feet? Why should I be caring when I know I can't be beat? See how the ice be glaring when I come through and retreat. It's easy to know it's us if a body in the street. Two turned up in the plug, talk Swahili. After I pay my taxes, I go rich immediately. In another tax bracket, you niggas beneath me. Who causing the racket in Jamaica on the weekend? Have a ticket on vacation, I ripped up the receipt. And she called me daddy cause my money long like Stevie. Stay down with my son, right or wrong, LBG shit. How you gon' be gangbang, you rich, it's in your bloodline.
Chat, 1 second, I'm gonna get some water, beer, babe.
Halloween gang in this bitch, she getting scary. 300,000 for the cheap sprain, cause a bit of truck, I'm legendary. Little bitch, I off the mama, the little bitch. Had it in the fish grease, little bitch. My ring costs a big B as well as my wrist. I'm getting money like this, can't tell problems exist. I wake up fresh every day like I'm going to take a pic. Hermes hit my main line cause they know I'm lit. Stuffed 150 racks in your purse, little bitch. And when I wake up, go surfing, you pussy hit. Say she wanna eat sushi, I gave her enough to go shopping. Pitching up my bitch, I love her up and went exotic. How you gon' love a nigga, they mind I'm breaking for your mama. You can die today, I swear I still won't break my promise. Put up. Make love on the weekend as usual. Take drugs going up on as usual. Every time she come, big screw. Every time I put my chains on, big screw. It's cool, man. Got red bottoms on. Life is good. You know what I mean? Like, 100,000 for the cheapest ring on a nigga finger, little bitch. Ooh, I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, automata, bitch. Ooh, dropped $3 on the rain, cause it been the truck, little bitch. Ooh, I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since.
I can't entertain all that flaws. I ain't been the same since they crossed. You know how they do when you pop. You know baby can't do all that talk. I got fools trying to sue up in Boston. I got dudes trying to sue down the floor. I got hoes in LA, got a new boo from Georgia. A million. Saved up to get on my door. Over 100K to Drew feeling my lawyer. Let's go. 6 digits on cases, we beat it like Tina. Baby all on the TV, that's easy. I mix meal with the gas and I bought me a Beamer. Yeah. Now I pull up and ghost, they ain't see me. Cass, I know she gon' fuck, I ain't asking. Effing it like a prop, this shit plastic. Fuck around and get popped just for laughing. Put that boy in the box, pick a cash. I go take that hoe to Dior, pick a shoe. Let's go. Kickin' shit with your whore, that's my boo. You can go put hardwood on the floor with a hoop. We like up in the score, we gon' shoot.
Let's go to chat. Let's get it. What's goody? What's goody? What's goody? New emote? Yes, sir. New emote. New emote. Let me just lower my gate. All right. Let me lower my. My check. My check. My check. My check. My check. Alright, it's fine. Let's go to chat. Oh, it's blurry. Why is it blurry? Come on. Alright, fix this. Why is it blurry? I don't like when it's blurry. It's a blur. Sorry, chat. A bit of technical difficulties. Start off the day. It's all good. Alright, I don't know how to fix this. Oh, there you go. There you go. That's fine. Much better. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to a brand new session. The best FX session out there. You need to enable TTV emotes for the chat on streams so your emojis will show us pictures. Streams so you show us pictures. Isn't that right there? I don't think that's an option on YouTube. It's a Twitch option, yeah, but I don't think it's, I think whatever I have is whatever I have. Whatever I upload as is whatever it comes up as. Good morning, everyone. What's going on? You're new here? What's going on? Hope you have a great day today. First day here. What pairs you like? I like Train, GJ, and Gold here. Okay, real quick before we get into promo session and you okay. Oh shit, okay. Let me know. I'm not sure what you're talking about exactly. Send me a link to it. Alright, stream. What's going on? So today we got USD news, PPI at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. So amazing, great. More news today. Unemployment claims again too. I think they're expecting actual grade and forecast is good for currency. So they're expecting bad numbers today. They're expecting bad numbers to come out for the US dollar today. Expecting, right? But again,
I guess we'll never know.
We'll never know. And then unemployment claims, which is at 8:30 as well. Actual less than forecast for currency. So they're expecting good numbers for unemployment claims good numbers, and then PPI bad numbers. So could come on mix. All right. But yeah, same thing with yesterday. We're not gonna be having buys and sell slots for news. We're just gonna be simply waiting for news to sell down and then take advantage of the volume afterwards. All right, same thing we've been doing all year. But yeah, that's that. Let's take a look at GJ and gold for today. All right, my favorite part of the day, analyzing these charts. So starting with the weekly on gold or on GJ here, it shows that we're bullish, right? It's something that we have established already. We talked about this through the entire week this week. We are at this resistance. However, since we're still bullish, at any given point we can just continue to drive up and continue on with last week's bullish candle closure. All right, so I am looking for buys today, or for the week, potentially until 161289 for my weekly target. Because if you look left there, that is the next weekly resistance you have here. So just because that's my target doesn't mean I'm gonna be taking buys off obviously right now. It's just something that's in the back of my mind when I'm taking buys for the week, right? That's just the buys I have in the back of my mind. Moving down to the daily time frame. The daily time frame shows that we're bearish though. All right, so yesterday we actually came up again. We came up yesterday. We caught those buys, and then what happened was GG kind of closed back at the resistance bearish. So we're back into the range. We haven't broken out yet, so therefore there's no algo day today. However, at any given point we can just break out. But again, we did close bearish today, so I would expect price to drive down today as long as it respects the previous kind of high. So as long as we respect this high up here, that high is going to be at the 157.741 mark. I'm expecting price to drop down at any given point to retest or to tap 156.354 today, around that level of support. Right, I'm expecting this candle today to drive down like so after creating a top wick. Right, but yeah, I am looking for sells today on GJ on a daily. If I'm looking for sells today on GJ, I want to see how big is this range, by the way. Let me check real quick. The flip to support is 6 to 7 pips. Okay, cool. So I want to see if we can get sells below here. Probably this is your support that you have here, or this is your resistance up here. Resistance, and it is your support. All right, it looks a bit choppy, but that's because this is the range that you're kind of breaking into if you were to break the support, right? So if you break below this range here, where's your next support? It's down here. So this is the range I'm looking to catch if we're looking for sells today. All right, below there, or two, if you don't like the sells below there, you can take sells below the support as well, which will take us down, I guess, towards like these support levels down here. All right, the range below, but the range in this area from here to here is around 25 pips, and then the range in this area from here to here is around 24 pips. So both aren't bad. Both are decent. If you want runners for a day, you can actually anticipate both ranges. But I'm probably gonna be focusing on one range day, since the weekly is bearish though, or bullish though. So yeah, but yeah, pretty simple analysis. Let's just go ahead and label it up as sells below here, closure. Your music too loud? Let me know. Future lit, man. I know. I love Future. Future's lit. Yeah, and then moving on to gold here. Gold for the weekly shows that we are bullish, or sorry, we're bearish technically. We haven't broken last week's highest, so until we actually break those highs, we can't confirm that we're officially bullish. However, yes, obviously the current candle is bullish, but going off the previous candle, we can still flip at any given point towards the 1780 mark, right? But yeah, I am looking for sells this week. That's my weekly bias. The day time frame shows that we're bullish, however, so I am looking for buys today with the fact that we closed bullish yesterday. But we are at this resistance here, so that's an issue. However, we can break through at any given point, like I said. If we do break through, I highly anticipate that the weekly will be breaking weekly highs as well, so then you don't got to worry about the weekly being bearish anymore. But very key what price does today. I am bullish today. My target is, if you break above this resistance today, above 1830, then you're looking towards 1845 today. But ideally, I want a closure above one of these daily candles. So tomorrow or today, if you can get a closure above at any point, you can look to drive up towards next resistance. But until that happens, there's no clear confirmation on the higher time frame that we're driving up yet. But if it does, then you guys will know what I'm talking about, right? So hopefully tomorrow we'll get closure. But yeah, still looking for buy states, same plan. Buys for me today, I'm starting to notice that there is a support right around here. This is your support that you're currently at, resistance right now actually. So if you break above this resistance, where would we be going, right? Ask yourself, where would we be going? Probably above, towards this range. Why? Because if you break above this resistance, next clean traffic you have is until approximately 1828, right? So this is now considered clean traffic as we're breaking back into the range. But you probably want a closure above first in order for that to occur. Obviously, closure above will take us up. All right. But yeah, range going up is on gold here. I think gold looks a lot cleaner in GG today, so I will be more focused on gold today. But gold range going up is around 37 pips, 35 pips going up. But yeah, we need a closure above first for that to occur. Can you tell me why you only trade GJ and gold? I used to trade US30. I used to trade a lot of pairs. I used to trade almost actually every pair in the book. USD, USD CAD, USD JPY, GBP, JPY. You got the gist of it, right? But yeah, I started limiting my pairs once I started trading US30. I limited it down to US30, GJ and gold, and then over time I just took out US30 because one of my brokers didn't offer US30 anymore with the contract size that I wanted, so I didn't like trading it. So I just kind of dropped it. And then I focused on GJ and gold. There was actually at one point where we were trading GJ only and not gold because gold spreads went up to like I think 100 pips, like actual 100 pips during the whole COVID thing and like back in March to May of 2020. So I stopped trading gold for a bit, and then now I'm just trading GJ and gold again because spreads are back to normal for both pairs. And another thing as well is because GJ and gold, those two pairs during the NY session are only impacted by one currency. So gold's obviously impacted by $1 and only $1, and GJ is only impacted by the pound because the yen is closed right now. The yen closed during Asian session, right? Asian session closed at 5 a.m. So there's no more yen, it's just the pound. So we only have to focus on one currency. Whereas if you're trading like GJ and gold or US30 or not, sorry, if you're trading USD CAD, you gotta focus on the US dollar and the CAD dollar at the same given time during the same session. And with the news that comes out for both currencies, sometimes it might just throw things off for you. But yeah, 100% spreads. I'm not lying. COVID last year, spreads normally like what, one pip, 2 pips, right? It went up to like 50 pips, 600 pips, 100 pips, like 60 pips. It was crazy, it was wild, but it was volatile though. Like we were moving like maybe 100 pips per 5-minute candle, but spreads are just crazy. So I'm like, you know what, this is way too crazy for me. I've never seen something like this in my life, so I'm not trading it. So yeah, we took a break from gold for a good solid like 4 or 5 months, and then what happened was I'm like, okay, you know what, 2021 we're trading gold again. Because spreads went back to normal near the end of 2020. So I'm like, 2021 we're trading gold again. So let's spend the next 3 months on the live stream just backtesting gold for like 3 months before we trade it in January again. And then 2021 we killed gold, obviously. Destroyed gold. And yeah, that's why I trade the pairs I trade. Cool. Yo, can you guys clip that somehow? Is there a YouTube clipping option? I don't think so, right? On Twitch you can clip that, and then if someone asks a question again, I'll be like, oh, exclamation point pairs, and then it takes to that video. Not good. But yeah, buys be above here, right? How can you within 10 minutes have a bias on 2 pairs and now it's just a waiting game? You do it so fast. Every day it's the same plan, same program, right? Every day we come to the stream, we analyze it, find our bias. And then from there, it's not the weighing game, it's more, yeah, it's a weighing game, but it's the weighing game following our playbook, right? We have a playbook, like 5-6 trades that we only take, and we wait for those stuff to appear. And then once they appears, we're in, right? But yeah. I have an idea of what I'm looking for today. Obviously, buys above here and sells below here. We just need closures below and above ranges. Fun fact, our buys, finding out the bias for a day for us is how accurate. Wix9, tell us. How accurate is the bias for a day, man?
As close to perfection as it gets.
I promise you guys, like,
Over 80% easily on the bias.
I'm not lying to you guys.
Maybe 90.
It's about 90% accurate. And this is 100% proof on stream, proof every day, or refined bias. 100%. 100% not lying to you guys. 90% accurate for the bias for a day. The bias is pretty simple to find for a day. It's pretty easy once you figure it out. The hard part is obviously executing trades, right? That's what makes it difficult. Waiting patiently is hard, and then waiting patiently for your setup is hard, and then managing and all that, taking profit is even harder, right? So the rules that we set for ourselves, we set them for a reason, because if you don't have those rules, if I didn't have those rules every day where I close half at 10 and where I wait for closures, I don't know what I'll be doing, man. I don't know. I'll be in profit. I don't know if I'll be a profitable trader. Are you ignoring GJ buys even if the weekly is bullish? No. The weekly is bullish. Yeah, we established that. We're looking for buys for the week. The daily is bearish, right? And obviously we're starting to reject that daily resistance now. Pretty on top wick. A minute and a half left for a closure, by the way. We might get positions at 7 a.m. here, chat. But no, I won't be ignoring it. If I'm looking for buys today, I want a range 2 breakout, or 2, I want a daily candle breaker to highs on the daily on GJ. Those are the only 2 ways I take buys going against the buys today.
You looking for shorts back in range?
I'm looking for shorts back in range or shorts below 157. Both are clean. Both are solid.
Let's see what this leaves.
Yeah, I want to see this 1 hour closure here. I want this thing to pull back a bit more though. Oh man, if you can get a nicer pullback here, that'd be so solid. Super solid. Yeah, I'm back on my sleep schedule. Been sleeping every day at like 9-10 p.m. Waking up at 6. 8 hours of sleep every day. Feels good. Do you believe in bots? I don't want to say I wouldn't believe in bots, but there's a lot of tweaking involved in one of those. So if you can find someone that can tweak you a lot, tweak it out very often and be consistent with it, then yeah, I mean, if it works, right? But I haven't seen a bot or came across a bot that actually works like that.
Oh, we just closed.
1 hour on GJ close or gold close, rejecting that resistance there, so there's no buys on gold just yet. GJ closed below the range here, so let's see. I'm looking to see if I want sells in this range or if I want sells below 157. This is 17 pips.
Why do you have your support marked up over there?
This?
No, the higher one, the top one.
This one?
Yeah.
Because of this. Like this is the most recent support, and this right here. Around these areas, I guess. 30. Yeah, and more on 30 than the 1 hour. I think I'm gonna stay in all this range actually. I think I want sells below 157. I think it's a lot cleaner for me.
Yeah, I'm not taking sells here. Look at this whole range. Look at the amount of play in this range.
Another thing is that it's not a 1-to-1 R, so I can't really take anything. I can't really take it. It's like you're risking. It's like a 16 pip target and a 23 pip stop loss. I can't really take it.
Yeah, there's no guarantee we go all the way down there, but if we do, we're taking it. Because what is it? It's only 11 more pips. That's nothing.
Yeah, it should come down.
With these 11 pips, you're gonna have what 25 pip range to go down clean.
Is your 5 pips? 4 pips? Probably at the support here. If you guys are in at the support down at like 157, 120, that's some very minor support here. That's probably when you want to manage risk and move stops to break even if you're in it.
We could go.
Let the hate begin. You entered a trade on GJ before the bottom wick. Oh, you want a top wick, right? Oh yeah, here chat. If you guys are in right now, I'll suggest right here. This is when you want to move stops break even here. Make it risk free here. All right, you're break even. You got nothing to worry about now. And now the next plan that I would have in mind, if I were you guys, is closing half at 10. If you're anticipating runners towards 156, if not, you can close full, or you can just run it down towards 157, 028. But minimum, I'll suggest you guys highly likely to move stops to break even. All right. The only reason why I didn't enter was because it wasn't a 1-1 RR for me here, so I can't re-enter. But if you're in, then now it officially becomes a 0-1 RR. There's no risk on the line anymore. So congratulations. If it runs through or not.
I just want to say congratulations. Yeah, I missed the old post.
Well, I'll post Malone.
Mm-hmm.
How can I learn to trade and think like you? Two options. You can watch the streams, but if you want to watch the streams, you gotta show up every day for a minimum of like 3 months, 3 or 4 months to get the basic knowledge of what we do every day. Obviously you gotta be there and actually taking notes down and following along, right? Or two, if you don't have time to show up every day, that's when you can just go ahead and purchase the course. So purchase the course, you have a step-by-step process of what we do and how we do everything.
And break even hit.
Yep. And yeah, so yeah, if I was in this trade, I'd be break even anyways, right? So I guess we saved on commissions, we saved on like our mental today for a bit. Yeah, so dope. But you see how I'm telling myself, even if I was in, I'll be break even. Like I'm not making up some type of story like, oh, if I was in, I would have took profit right there for 8 pips. When the hell did I ever take profit at 8 pips, right? You gotta be real with yourself. You can't just be like making shit up. A lot of traders, what they do is like, oh yeah, I would have taken profit there. And then when it comes to the actual real shit and they're actually in the trade, they're not actually taking profit there. They're just kind of, they're scrambling.
I hear people all the time. They reach out to me. They're like, yo, I should have caught that 200 pip move today. The whole move was like 200 pips. Like, yeah, you would have really caught 200 pips. Like, let's be real. Maybe you catch like 15, 20. Maybe you catch like 50. People are like, yeah, did you see that big move? I almost caught it. I decided to stay out, but I would have caught that whole move.
Yeah, you gotta be real with yourself. You can't do that. Because when it comes to the real stuff, you're always gonna be fumbling. Should have held longer. I should have closed here. Should have done this. Should have done that. Be real.
Or that hindsight starts acting up.
Be honest, do you think the course would be a good purchase considering you do free live streams? Quick, want to answer that? I can't answer my own. I mean, I think it's be a great thing, but you might think I'm being biased. But I was
help yourself, like, invest in yourself, and done.
Another thing about the course is that like you get access to the Zoom calls, right? So if you're on a Zoom call, you can unmute and ask any question live and get the answer right back live.
Even outside that, I think Don's probably more likely to help you if you're part of his, course members.
Send me a DM or something.
Yeah, if you reach out to him and be like, yo, can you answer this? And you're like, nah, I'm part of the course. Like, why is he dedicating time to you when there's other people paying?
No, I actually answer questions, like, even if you're not in the course sometimes, but there's one time where I did it and then this guy kept going on and on and on and on. And I'm like, okay, yo, man, at this point, man, I can't have time all day to sit here and talk, right? I get a lot of DMs. And not only because he's going for hours, like I answer one question, new question, one question, new question. And I was like,
yeah, I get that.
So I was like, I don't know, man. That. Good with the FX. Hello, new squad. What up? What up, Miss MM? Good morning, Gabriel. What's going on? Ready to catch some tips? Yes. Oh yeah, trade's taken. My bad. I gotta take that off. My bad. Trade's taken. That was yesterday on yesterday's stream.
I'll say this: in 2022, a course is not necessary to learn what you want to learn, but it will damn well speed it up, so you don't have to sit through a 1.5 years worth of streams. You can get the course and you can follow along the streams as you have the course, and you catch on much quicker, catch on much clearer, and then you also have access to ask questions. So the learning curve with the course is just way steeper, increases. Like I never got the course. I have to be honest. I never got Don's course. I know, but
He's been on live streams for like 2 years.
I've been on these live streams for 3 years.
Marcos does the course.
Here's the thing. Me and Marcos did the same thing, but it like opposite ways. Like he bought the course to get access. I got access, and I was like, I gotta do something.
We're not got access because he
I was just showing up to the streams.
yeah. That's crazy. I used to have like what 10 viewers the game. Pretty crazy. Looks like me have come a long way. He's the most consistent like person I show up to the stream. Him and Sharif actually. I think Sharif's more consistent, but he doesn't talk as much. He's here every day. Every day, the first person who shows my Zoom call, I just sits there quiet, and then like, yo, Don, I caught this position. Cool. Like, chill guy, super chill guy. You're here too? Yeah. I guess. What's up with the Zoom call though?
Hey Don.
What up, Sharif? Yeah, there's Sharif. What's going on?
It's good. I'm at the office, so I can't usually talk. So I've always got someone around me.
Yeah, no, it's all good. How's your 2022 been?
It's been a mix. Started off really well. This Monday, Tuesday, I had a couple of trades with losses, but yesterday late in New York session got a good win, and this morning 11 pips on gold sell, so which was good.
Oh,
so
solid.
it's going well. It's going.
Oh,
okay.
right here, right? This kind of right here. I know
That's
this
right.
kind of. I knew it. Yeah, the retest. I know it. Yeah.
That's it.
Solid.
Break and retest. That's all.
Solid. Nice.
Is it like 3 a.m.?
That was like 5 a.m.
5 a.m.?
About an hour and a half ago.
Has the London session had a trade yet this month?
London session? Yo, JXTR, what's going on? JXTR is not here.
Nice. I know. Oh, I'm still working. Can't talk. That's what he was posted.
Do you have positions today during London? What's your prediction on gold today? If you want to look at my prediction, go to the beginning of the stream today where I broke down GJ and gold. I made the bias for a day and I explained what I was looking for. And then until we get those positions, there's nothing for us yet.
Yeah, no predictions, just breakdown.
Yes.
Analysis.
Breakdown analysis and the waiting game.
Just tangible shit you can touch, feel, see. No thinking, no feeling.
No thinking, no feeling, just doing. Oh my god, he noticed me. You're fucking weird. I mean, come on. I mean, you're here every day, bro. Watch out videos on IG. Imagine looking for buys. You wait for a candle to form its bottom wick. Then you enter in a flip. When the candle breaks the previous candle high, you always put stops at break even before you secure 50 pips at 10 pips. When you put stops at break even, you got and stopped up before securing. Never saw a video like that. What do you mean?
Huh?
When the candle breaks the previous candle's highs, you always put stops at break even. No, it's not. I don't put my stops at break even whenever we break a candle high. It has nothing.
Somebody knew.
Well, it has more so to do with. Oh yeah, I guess sometimes, yeah. But it has more so. There's no like set formula that I follow regarding like move stops at break even. I kind of just look at charts, see if we're tapping minor levels of support, resistance. Then I look for levels where I can move my stops at break even at. But yeah, when you put stops at break even, you gotta stop that before securing. Yes, all the time. A lot of times. Never saw a video like that. Because it happens on the stream. Why do I gotta highlight it? Yeah, you know, like,
I mean, 10 pips, you're going break even regardless. At 10 pips, that's a given.
Yeah.
Regardless what happens in the trade, once 10 pips are hit. But sometimes we're at like 9 pips and at a major support on a sell. What's the point of losing those 9 pips just to get one more pip? Like at that point, your RR is, 1 to 9, like, or 9 to 1. Like you're negative. Why would you lose 9 pips to hit break even when you're, are we just waiting for one more pip? Like I'll do that once in a while, but not too often.
Then I'll be break even regardless at that point. And a lot of people say,
9 pips,
well,
you're going break even, or 8 pips. Yeah. or even at 6 or 7 pips, if you're hitting a support or a resistance, maybe let's say you didn't notice it there, and you're in a trade already, and you see, oh shoot, there's a 15-minute support resistance. There's a clue. You're 8 pips in, 7 pips in, go break even. You don't know if that support resistance is going to hold. What's the point? You know, manage your funds, save your funds, and if it does go against you, okay, you just spent some time doing extra analysis. You know, you were a great manager and great fund manager, a great risk manager, and now the next trade is going to be the one that takes, you know, not every trade has to take you 30, 40, 50 pips, but when it does, you know, you take your 10, you take your 8, whatever you guys do, you take your 15, and then when the trade hits 50, boom, you know, you were entering all those trades. It's like opening a business, you know, you open 30 businesses and one will succeed. Same with the trades, you know, you'll open 30 trades, one will hit a runner. But protect your capital, like the strategy doesn't change. Protection of capital is still numero uno, you know.
The next question that comes in is well, why don't you just hold until TP?
We're protecting capital.
Exactly.
We're looking at, you know, because risk is variable. Like, yeah, we're entering at a 1-to-1 RR, 1-to-2 RR, but mid-trade risk, you know, is always varying. We go to break even, we have no risk, you know, and the goal is to always risk less, not to make more, but to risk less. You'll make more in the process, but the goal is to actually, you know, chill out on risk, bring down the risk. I guess take more off the table.
I guess that's in social media, or like the FX world and social media, like, you know, you guys know what I'm talking about. That's when they kind of messes a lot of people up, because a lot of people see like risk, like the way we manage risk, securing profits quick, they say, or we're not holding long enough, or, you know, our trades aren't like a bad like 1 to something RR that the what like social media shows do, and just have to ask a lot of questions. I don't know. But the question you should ask yourself is, have those guys done it live? Are those guys on live stream every day taking trades live? Are those guys following their plan like they say? Right? Is it working for them? Should I pay for TradingView? I've been trading for about 3 weeks now on a small lab account, and I haven't been profitable so far. You paying for TradingView wouldn't do anything. Like, it's not like you're streaming. You can get ads, cool. Just X the ads out and just continue to look at charts. You know, I don't even think you have ads anymore with ad blocker, right? On TradingView, there's no point paying for TradingView.
I tell you a secret.
What?
Never use TradingView.
Never use it. Why?
I've never even I've never been on TradingView website. Never. I never touched it. Don't mess with it. It looks pretty, but I don't trade on it. So why would I concern myself with an extra instrument that, you know, that I don't use for trading or breakdowns or anything? Like Don's streams, so it's like it's beneficial for the stream. It looks, you know, awesome. And
yeah,
it's easier to mark up, and there's zoom in, zoom out, spread the, you know, like it's a lot easier to just get around it. It's like, I don't know, like the 4K of charting. But I mean, if you don't trade on it, it's just extra work. I've never touched TradingView. I'm on my MT5 all the time. If I was gonna stream, I would probably stream off my MT5.
Yeah, I actually started, like, the first thing I used was TradingView. That's when I learned how to mark up charts.
I've never even touched it. I don't know how to mark shit up on it. I don't touch it. I don't trade on it. I don't open it. Never been on, never needed it. Yeah, like, you don't have to use TradingView to be profitable.
We're welcome to our stream. We got blocked yesterday. Okay, it was this song. I got a feeling. Fuck. Okay, I'll mute it. It should be up in about a couple hours, like 2 hours or so. For sure. Alright.
Wasn't even a good song.
I know, it wasn't a good song. Okay, this one got partially blocked. From what song? Let's see. This song. This wasn't a good song either. Oh, okay. Metro has the shittiest UX. I mean, it's been there for years though. Years, decades. Should be good. All right. This one, let's see, December 7th live stream. Okay, yeah, this is too many, but I'm not doing that. That's way too many. Are those guys on last?
It's a lot easier to just get around it.
There's no point to pay up. Okay, cool. It's not too loud. Chat, I keep saying I'm gonna be playing music, but like elevator music, but we haven't done today. Oh shit! Go, GG came
30.
down. Tap that support.
Looking for the 30.
Oh yeah, 10 minutes left for a closure. Looking solid on gold too. Oof, gold and GJ, solid. Gold GJR is gonna be 20 pips for 20 pips. Yeah, that's not bad if you get a closure on GJ. A 30-minute closure. No foreplay. Yeah.
30-minute closure, 15-minute stop.
So far, the best stream with significant nuggets on YouTube. Hey man, appreciate it. Thank you, Blues Waves Academy. Thank you, man. One Life FX is going on.
A lot of new heads.
Yeah, a lot of new heads. Just want to thank you for all the guidance you've given me. I've less than 1% from passing my first fun challenge, and it's thanks to you and this community you built, man. Hey, that's love. No worries, man. You're less than 4%. I want to see you pass it. Let us know when you pass it. Hopefully a trade today could, you know, pass that challenge for you. Hopefully a nice gold buys that looks something like this today. Later on the live streams, maybe around like 7:30 or 8 a.m. we can get a closure like this. Could give you that 1%. This would be perfect. Please tell us our guy to mute his mic when he makes his terrible noise from nose to nose. I don't hear anything. I don't know what's that name. Maybe that's just me.
No, I did. I went.
Oh, okay. He just did it again. This guy said, oh, I did. I just did. Oh, man.
All right. It's going to go away. Let me smoke this.
You're right. My apologies. Where's Michael's? No trip for me during letter for 4 days. Damn. Migos.
I'm going to change my name on Instagram to the other guy.
Why?
For the last 3 days, I've been the other guy. Grand X, just rewind.
Wix is really gonna be me when I'm older, just smoking J's and vibing. That's the vibe. Let's do a poll. Maybe we could change the music up this year. Do you like the music we play? Alright, I'm running this poll for about 2 minutes. Shall I see a new emote? Yes. Thanks for to Yuji. What up, Wild Dog 99? What's going on? Ooh, gold's looking clean. Look at that. Pushing on gold. Pushing above that resistance. 8 minutes left. Can we survive 8 minutes? Hopefully we survive it and we don't just shoot all the way up. A lot of impulse entry takers are in positions, I'm guessing. If you're a person that takes impulse entries, you'll be in by now.
What's your Forex story? Well, you see, it all started back on an autumn day in 1985.
Oh, fuck, man.
Yeah, it was conceived in Far Rockaway under a park bench. One of them's not gonna close.
Yep, no, we both. I think GJ won't close. Gold will close. Which one will get your entry? A closure above like this, and then next candle comes up or comes down, creates a bottom wick, and I'll be in position on the flip of the candle. But yeah, I'm anticipating this to be the next candle. Once you get a bottom wick, hopefully it's a decent bottom wick, we enter on the flip or the break at a previous kind of high. If this candle leaves a small wick, we enter on the break at the highest. If it leaves a big wick, we enter on the flip.
Your daily close bull?
Daily is
Your daily close
bull,
bear?
yeah, bull. It's about to flip on the daily here.
Oh wait, okay, GJ. Yeah.
Rich Marcos, we're about to get an entry here.
If I was a betting man, I'd say he's aware. Oh wait, I am a betting man. I'm pretty sure he's aware.
Activist. I didn't get my shot today, so I'm getting my shot tomorrow. Or today, sorry. I'm getting my shot. I didn't get my shot yesterday. I'm getting my shot today.
You still have time. You still have a chance. To not.
You still have a chance. Sorry, man. I'm already, you know, I'm already locked in.
Fall in sick.
I'm already locked in. I'm already too deep. 2 shots deep, man. Can't go back. XAUSD buy in 6 minutes here. After we get a closure, I just answer a question. I drew it out for you, actually. Intra capital. I drew it out for you. So, yes, I am looking for buys. I need closure. Should we get entered next to USD? Well, man, I don't know what to tell you. I explained it to you. I drew it out for you, and you're still asking these questions. It's like you have me on mute until you see this on my screen or something. You know? Oh shit, he's in a position. I should stop playing Fortnite. Do you think the monthly candle on gold might close month bullish? It seems like it's flipping. The monthly on gold is, I am bullish on gold. Yeah, I'm bullish on gold for the monthly. I'm expecting to flip. I think we discussed this already. I'm expecting we may not tap 1900, but I'm looking at we may tap like 1851 before the end of the month, or even like, I don't know, maybe 1900. Yeah, 1880 potentially. But yeah, the monthly did close bullish above the range last month, so this month you would expect it to drive up towards the top of the range like this.
Oh, you see, last week we closed bear and broke the previous candle low on the weekly. So if we don't break this weekly high, this is just the top wick for the weekly. Or we get a weekly whop. Five minutes.
The sun goes hard. I know. It's all down. What up, Nuke? What's going on, brother?
What's up, bro?
What up? You waiting for gold here?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna stay off DJ today.
How come?
I just don't like how it look. Let me go to
The ranges is too small, eh?
yeah. Daily, it resistance and the go. I just don't like how it looks. I just rather stay out. Just focus on gold today.
I can see why.
Oh yeah, I got that clip for you too. You want it? What you said clip about why you stayed out gold.
What clip?
One you said.
You remember? Yeah, when you was talking about why you was off gold.
Oh wait, Wait, what kind of clip? Like the YouTube clip, like on a live stream?
Oh no, I just screen recorded it.
Oh no. Oh, I'm talking about like I wish YouTube had a clipping mechanism like Twitch, where you can clip and everyone can just view it like at the like in the VODs or something. Hopefully one day, man.
I
think
I see it sometimes
I
on
think
some
you need to be
channels.
like a YouTube partner for that, because I see big YouTubers have
Yeah.
Yeah, they have that option, but the general don't have that option, and if the general don't have that option, then no one's gonna use it. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Look at this, chat. First closure above the range potentially. Look left. This candle came out. Huge wick. Rejected. 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 Support. Rejected. Right. So this is a very strong level here, and a closure above means a lot. Closure above. Look, the last time we got closure above, where we drive up towards top of the range at 1828. Right. So solid. Okay, I made an impulsive entry. I mean, yeah, you could have taken an impulsive entry. We don't take impulsive entries. Check. Can we get a no I? What's it called?
SIE.
SIE. Yo, favorite song from a new Gun album. I think they want G Herbo. The one from G Herbo or let's see. Push and P, obviously. Mop. How You Did That, or Kodak. A Lot of Cake. One of G Herbo. One Little Baby.
You need to update the SIE. It's still saying 2021.
Okay, I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna change it a bit. I'm gonna change it after. Or I'll do it now. I have a minute left. Wait, actually, I can't do it now. We're about to enter. Would we have a top wick here? I want a top wick here. Is this our first gold trade of the year? On stream? I think we didn't get gold this year, did we? Without GJ so far.
I needed to pull back.
Yeah, I need a top wick here, chat. Need to pull back a little bit. Like maybe like 3 pips or something. 4 pips. In 23.183. So that has to be around. So that has to be around 20 pips. And TP would be around 26 pips. They might chip a tooth, yeah. Did GG? What's GG then? Oh, Wickville. Nice. 4. Okay, there we go. That's a nice wick. Decent wick. Decent wick. Decent wick. Decent wick. All right, cool. So once you get a bottom wick, a decent bottom wick, maybe if you can get a wick that tops the support, that'd be lovely. But like a nice decent wick, and then on the flip of the highs or the break of the previous kind of highs, I'll be in. So I don't have any buy stops or anything like that yet, but I'm waiting for a bottom wick to be formed there. All right, it's very key. We have to get a bottom wick. Very key. Wait, JXTR, is that on wait, so if that's enabled, is that enabled for everyone too, or just me?
Just you, yeah. But you're the one who's streaming, so on your stream it will show
colors,
the emotes. Yeah, it show the emotes. Because right now, if you put the emotes, it will show up like chat on stream. You're just typing random words on stream. Like
Okay.
the celery, it will show celery. Yeah.
So how did I do it after?
Yeah.
Got my buy stop.
Yeah. Chat, I gotta have a buy stop here actually. Placed at 1825.497 here. So I'm anticipating this to be the bottom wick. Once you flip bullish, you should be able to drive up. Alright. So around a 22 pip stop loss and then 25 pip TP.
I'm in.
Solid. Not in yet. About to be in. Oh, GJ filled that wick pretty nicely just now. All right, there we go. There we go. In positions, chat. Got in positions here. Got on a buy here on gold here. The loss is the previous candle low, which is around 23 pips. TP is up here for around 25 pips. All right. Had a buy stop here. Got activated just now on a break of the highs. Wait for the bottom wick to be formed. So pretty simple analysis. Simple. Just got in as we closed above this resistance here. So we're breaking back into this range here, expecting the rest of the range to get filled, which it should get filled with the daily bias. And what else is there? Oh yeah, managing risk. So regarding managing risk in a winning situation, I think once you tap like around like these levels right here, I'll have it here, I guess right here. I'll probably go risk free on a trade, and then at 10 pips close half, and then leave runners towards TP, because this is a decent 30 pips, right? 25 30 pips. And then in a losing situation, I want to see how this 30-minute candle closes. If we close bearish, if we close like this below the support, I'll look to close my positions. But if we do close bearish respecting 1824, I'll look to leave it still. And then yeah, that's how I'll be managing risk in losing situations. So it all comes down to this 30-minute candle and what it'll do. Wait, so did I go to where'd I go after JXTR to add it to my stream? Where'd I go after to add to my stream?
Why, is your thing frozen? What's going on?
I think there's a website that you need to go to. I don't know about the YouTube stuff because I did it for my Twitch channel, but their TTV, it's different. It's a different extension.
Okay.
You notice I sent you two links. The first one is for YouTube and the second one is for Twitch.
Okay.
I don't know if the second one works with YouTube. I don't know.
It's fine. What's going on, Wix?
Oh, I thought your screen was frozen because I was like 5 pips in profit and you're barely at the thing.
It's just trading view differences from yeah, it shows that yeah, trading view does look a little chopped here.
Like, good? What the fuck? It looks like you're barely in profit.
Yeah. No, I'm like solid like here.
I'm gonna go break even in about a second.
I'm about 5 pips in profit from my entry. My entry is 1825.62 exactly.
Oh.
Yeah.
I got 1825.45.
Yeah. Nice. Nice. I wonder how the chat box is red. Chat, guys, spam something in the chat so the chat color changes. I don't know why it's red. Just say something in the chat. Say W or something. Good morning. What up? What's up? What's up? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Chat, I'm about to go risk free here actually here.
Yeah,
like,
I'm going break even.
I'm about to go risk free here on this trade here. I don't know why it looks so different from my MetaTrader. But yeah, we are tapping this minor resistance here, chat. So we're gonna be looking to go risk free here on this trade as you are tapping this minor level of resistance to the left hand side here, right? As you can see, very minor level of resistance here coming across. So this is called taking advantage of those levels and also managing risk, obviously. And then yeah, at 10 pips, which is gonna be somewhere up here, we'll be closing half and letting the rest run to TP. What up, Marcos?
What up?
You in?
I am.
Hey.
I was bugging just like Wix9. I was looking at my trading view. I was like, it looked like I was at break even, and then on Trader's Domain, I was like 7 or 8 pips in profit. I was like, what the hell?
Yeah.
I was like double. I had to like double. I was double taking. like, what is happening?
Chat, there's two ways you can manage risk here. You can move your stop loss to the current candle low instead of the previous candle low. So you're risking like what? From here to here is like maybe like 7-8 pips. Or two, you can move stops to break even. I move stops to break even because we're tapping this minor level of resistance here. So my stops are break even. At 1825.62 is my exact entry. So it's gonna be somewhere like 0.62 is around like here, technically. On traders domain. 50% close. I didn't get 10 pips. I got like maybe 6.5, 7 pips max peak. I saw there.
The traders domain and trading view are way different right now.
Yeah, way different.
I'm up 6 pips on traders domain and 3 pips on trading view.
I enter on the break of the highs on trading view, but now I look at my MetaTrader 5 and the break of the highs was way above, like way below where it was on trading view. Can't do that.
3 more pips. 3 more pips, GJ.
You know something we gotta play?
What? Here we go. We break the highs.
Yeah,
Come on.
ASAP.
Come
Bring
on.
out ASAP.
Come on. We break them highs.
Come on, stream. Can we get 10 pips? Can this be our
ASAP,
third winning
ASAP.
trade of the year?
Oh.
It's up. It's up.
Vibes? Vibe check?
You got 10 Marcos or not?
I got at the most. I got like 7.5.
Yeah, I got 7.5 at most.
I haven't even seen like 400 yet. No.
I hate break even. I hate break even.
Traders domain not yet.
I hit it.
Oh, now I hit break even.
I had like a little like late entry on traders domain too, so mine hit for sure.
Yeah, I got break even. GG's in the chat.
Yeah, stops to break even here.
That's like emote. You need like a GG and a W emote.
Yeah, chat, hit break even here. We came up, we tapped this resistance here, and then we ended up I guess like rejecting it, right? Because we have tapped that amount of resistance. So that's fine. I think the next thing we should wait for here is the 1 hour closure here. So the 1 hour closure could take us up. But yeah, GG have potential positions as well. So there's plenty of opportunities today. Just chill out, relax, you know, first break even of the year. It's not like a loss, but it does feel painful. But here's the thing now, you can't go back and say, oh, I should have just not moved stops to break even, right? Like this thing can still ride up. Don't get me wrong. This thing can ride all the way up still. But you can't go back and say I shoulda, woulda, coulda, right? You gotta follow your plan regardless of whatever happens. Record is 2, 1, and 0. You hit
may
breaks.
not be a dub in profit wise, but it's a dub risk management wise.
Correct.
I always count break evens as W's.
I do too, bro.
Because technically it was W. It's just hit breaks.
You took a trade and didn't lose money.
Yep.
I think we'll have more volume, guys, after 8 AM opening. After the NY open, like I'm pretty sure if this trade were to be like 8:30, this trade would have went through towards TP. But since it was like pre NY, that we might not have enough volume yet, and also there's news that might be stopping price from pushing here at 8:30. Yeah, you have news at 8:30. Yeah, PPI should give more volume, yeah. But that's not until 50 minutes here. GG here, it's solid. 1 hour closure below the range. It'll be a 1-to-1.
A lot of time left. Look at all the volume in that candle. I don't know.
4 hour broke the lows. Daily candles flipping bearish. Oh, this is solid. This thing should run down minimum today, 156.790, but 156.435 is your target for a day. Solid. Yeah, we'll be in GJ. We'll see GJ in about 18 minutes here, probably.
Come see ya.
Come see ya. Can you explain how you would enter if the person has no top wick? I wouldn't enter. I wouldn't enter. I'll be out. I'm not playing this song.
I'm done with Rocky.
It didn't work that time.
Messing up my vibes. I was 8 in profit, and then Rocky came in and just
Yeah, it went straight to be break even.
straight to BE.
Wasn't even a slow grind. It just teleported.
Yeah, but he didn't even wait till the end of the song. He was like, all right, before the chorus, y'all gonna be out this trade.
Hey, at least you only hit break even sometimes on your Ameritrader 5. It shows it's still in blue, but like a couple cents.
That's why I'm pissed off, because I'm in red by exactly $1.
Really?
I'm down. I'm down $10. That was my lunch.
That was my lunch. We're probably gonna create a steeper wick here, to be honest.
We're not eating today.
Here's what I'm
we
thinking.
eating every day.
There's another opportunity in about 15 minutes here, but the thing is, you only have 30 minutes before news, so the trade must play out before news unless we're trapped within the news.
What about GJ?
Goes so clean the hour though. It's the first hourly closure.
No.
So clean. I mean, I'm 80% sure we'll drive up regardless of what happens here. We should be driving up towards TP here, even since we got stopped out. It's just, where's the next possible entry, right? With high probabilities. That's weird. I think we could put GG in trades called earlier, right?
Yeah, it's very hard to send out signals on scalping. It's crazy. I think by the time people got your signals, the trade was over. You really have to be like paying attention, knowing when you watch the charts.
Just flying down here. We broke down this trade over here. The trade we broke down chat earlier, the trade called was right here. The reason why we didn't enter, or I didn't enter, was because there wasn't a 1-to-1 RR, but aside from that, it was a pretty solid trade. Stop loss was the first one or a high, and range was down here. It was solid. This right here is different. This right here is something else. We didn't break that down. We broke down this though. Before I broke the lows, I guess that's why price drove down here. Look at that daily count flip too. Perfect flip, perfect wick fill. Pretty solid read.
Yo, Marcos, now that you upped your lot size, are you bringing your stops in profit or a break even?
I still break even.
Yeah, it's only UX.
I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna start moving it 3 pips in profit to account for taxes and commission.
That's like, hey, because he's on a higher lot size now. He should feel the commission.
Yeah, I still don't even have the habit of like clicking the trade after and looking at it. It's like whatever. It's $70 for 10 and 35 for 5. Yeah.
FBI.
Have you seen the Ethereum gas fees?
What's that?
The gas fees are like close to $100 on like the average day.
That's the regular though. Damn, I feel like you haven't taken those headphones off since you got them. Bro, they're comfy, man. They're the most comfortable headphones I've ever had. I had Beats, I had XM4s. Bro, I actually can't take them off. It's because the transparency mode, man. It's so good. Like, it's actually comfortable, man. And I'm the type of guy that gets lightheaded from wearing headsets all day, and these just work perfectly fine.
You crazy? I be wearing headsets just so people don't talk to me. I'm not even listening to nothing, but I just don't want to talk to people.
That's it. I want walking through the mall with my AirPods in, with nothing playing.
Oh, I do that all the time.
And then someone tries to talk to you, take it out as if they're bothering you.
Yeah, you like pick up your hands like I can't hear you.
Like, oh my bad, hold on.
I thought I was up.
Don Dotson go right now. You still think it will go up? I believe prices will go up towards 1828 here, but you need a 1 hour closure here. So until that 1 hour closes above, there's no positions you should be taking, right?
Anything can happen. You want to take the most sure position, the most profitable, and the one, not the most profitable, the most, I guess, tested one.
Yeah, logical.
When you've tested, tried, and then it works and just makes more sense and has a higher probability. All a game of probabilities. And there's hundreds of setups and thousands of setups. I mean, shit happens all day throughout the day. Look, 2 days ago we had a trade on GJ, right, or on gold at 1 o'clock, right? We had a trade. It doesn't make it it went. It was a good trade. It was something that we waited for, but that doesn't make it a good position. It was at 1 o'clock. That's, it's outside of high volume times. It's, you're not putting yourself in the best position to succeed when you're taking the trade at that time, regardless winning or losing. Ability wise, it's not the best. Damn, it's a lot better. So why not? Probably wait until next day high volume time. That was set parameters.
Yeah, your mic sounds chalked right now. I don't know what's going on. It sounds distorted.
I said have a set of parameters that you just don't go outside of. Get yourself, a set of parameters, set of rules that you can follow. Don't go outside of them. Take the higher probabilities. You're settling, like taking a trade at 1 p.m. You're just settling for whatever with money. Like, don't settle with money.
Do you think gold's more of a sell due to the fact that yesterday they didn't close above? It didn't close above, but it still closed bullish, right? So you had like this little range today. You had a range from here to here. Hence why my TP was only like 1824 today. It's a 25 pip range going up on a flip up daily candle. And yeah. But from here to here, it's like a solid like 40 pip range going up. So yeah, even though we didn't close above, like obviously a closure above one of these days would be a lot better. But you saw that low range going up and we still closed bullish. So the probability of us going up is a bit higher than us going down.
You like this 1 hour?
I like the 1 hour. Yeah, but
above.
Yeah.
Be nice stops, wick fill. It's the same trade, just on a better time frame.
Higher, yeah. Higher and better. I think it's like there's news though. We're closer in news if we wait for a 1 hour close.
Oh, really? I didn't even know. I forgot to check news half the time.
We're 30 minutes to news. And it's gold too, so it'll highly impact it. It's not like it's a GJ where it will be like, okay, maybe we can get through it there. It's gold.
I feel like I could take it if the entry was like at 80, like 802, 803.
Yeah, but
you know what I'm saying?
And then if it gets closer to like 8:30, you can close if it's not in your favor.
Exactly.
A minute before news or something. Yeah.
But I wouldn't take it at like 8:20, for example.
Yeah. Going big on yourself. Oh, this song gets copyrighted. Fuck. Whatever. It's all good. Yo, chat, put an emote in. Or it's not working, JXDR.
What is that? What is that emote?
The best emote. Nah, it's just some type of emote I had.
You gotta add a bunch more. How many slots do you get?
I'm there's like 150, man. I'm gonna add a lot more.
Yeah, you need a lot, like all the basic ones.
If you have some, send me them.
Oh shit! I'm sure you could download like starter packs.
You're right.
You enable the better TTV emotes on
GG, W, like sub hype, like that's all. That's got it. How starter pack.
Make it for long strokes, ain't no the back of step. One big up yourself. Ooh. I throw a couple dollars on that Aston. One big up yourself, dance for it. Dance for it. Dance for it.
And you gotta have you could have like a running emoji for
She's a runner?
She's a runner. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're right.
But you're not that guy, pal. Face. That would be funny.
I think Gold is respecting the 30-minute order block.
Order block.
What happened with the music?
You don't hear it?
Oh, now I hear it.
It's back. They went away for a sec.
Trying to download something. What's the best emote though?
You gonna look for the flip?
GH. For which?
I'm gonna.
Gold.
If we closer, yeah.
Need like a strong closure above.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry, chat. Can't do something. Too much juice, too much sauce. Cool. All right, we're back. Gold sells opportunity on a break of the lows. Gold sells. I'm not really looking for gold sells. I want buys here on gold. I want a closure above 1824 here. I want a closure for buys. Sells for me would not be below here. If I'm taking sells for gold today, I want to see if you can probably break. This is range 1, right? So resistance here, support here. First range, second range is here. So I'm guessing like below 1820 would be my sells coming down towards 1817 ish. So so the ranges for me that are tradable today would be this range for buys. This range I'm staying out. And this range for sells. Right? This is what's valid for me today. This range, we're in, staying out. And then obviously more buys would be above here. And then more sells would be below here. So it's just this range that we really got to pay attention to, and this is a range that you're gonna spend a majority of the day in.
Yeah, there's nothing here. Flip bear respecting the resistance.
If you were still in the buys, now you'd be like, well, I should have closed, eh? I should have moved out to break even. All your same plan regardless of what happens every day, chat.
And here's the thing, we're not thinking about how much we could have made. We're, you know, mitigating risk, right? We're managing it. And if we reach the resistance, made no sense to bet on us breaking it. You know, we're at a resistance. So we can go risk-free and have it be, you know, it's house money. Let's see if this resistance breaks with house money. If it does, great. If it doesn't, we, you know, we managed risk and we're going to take the next position.
Yo, no aura blocks then? There's a difference between no aura blocks and understanding and like actually using aura blocks. I know what aura blocks are. I promise you I know what they are. I just don't use them.
We just don't use that name.
we don't use that name. We don't trade aura blocks. It's something that we have, like, I've probably been through in the past, and something that I don't use in my day-to-day trading, right? Just because, like, you use it doesn't mean everyone else has to use it. I'm not gonna teach something and preach something that I'm not using. That doesn't work for me, right? I know what blower blocks are. I've been in the industry for like 4 years. Come on. And if you trade air blocks and it works for you, then it works for you, right? At the end of the day, you're winning, cool. At the end of the day, I'm winning, you're using my strategy, my plan, cool. All right, if it really works for you, there's no need to argue about it. Like Michael said. GSLs, you're in this range here. The sells would have been in this range and this range, but now that you're at the bottom of the range here, you wanna closure below here. You want a closure below here for us to drop down towards here. You started trading at 18 or 16? No, I started trading at 18. I think it's illegal to trade at 16, right, Nuke?
Are you talking to me, bro?
You can trade under your parents' name, maybe.
When did you start trading, Nuke?
Well, I started trading it. I learned about trading when I was like 17. Yeah, about 17, I started actually trading with like a live account with like a broker and everything at like 18.
Nuke's a prodigy, bro. Straight up,
bro.
You're the LeBron James. He's gonna be the LeBron James of FX. He's gonna be an all-star at like 22. You'll be like, wait, what? I don't even know what I was doing at that age. Playing Xbox?
Oh, gold closed above. Oh.
Yeah, open with no bottom wick.
No bottom wick though.
Trash.
Yeah, 30-minute close, respecting that support there. Interesting. Super interesting. You just need a bottom wick and then for us to drive up. If I was still in it, I'll be managing risk. I wouldn't be managing risk here yet because we can still drive. Because we respected the support there. I'll have my 1 hour stop still though. But if I'm looking for new entries, you want a bottom wick and then you want to flip.
Do y'all hear any background noise on like my mic? Or is it fine?
I think it's fine. I don't really hear much.
I don't hear nothing. Nothing.
Where you take the fake out? Which fake out? Now everything for me is considered a fake out, right? A fake out for me here would be considered right, if we were to, I can't really explain. In this case, like, I'll need a bearish fake up for us to drive back up since my bias is bullish. So if this were to happen, I'll take my bias going up. Yeah, I wouldn't take the sells. Or if like, sorry, no, this is better. If we were ranging in this range for a bit, let's say we were ranging here, right? And then what happens is price comes down, closes below the range. I wouldn't take that because I'll consider that being a potential fake out. I'll wait for price to break back into the range, and then I'll take the bias going up. Because the fake out is going against the trend, the day trend. I started learning when I was 19, now I'm 21. I'm below my account 2 times. You blew your account twice only? This number is 824, 405. I had it marked up here because yeah, I mean, guess you could have moved it up to here or down here. I put the average in between. And in this case, I respected that support. Can you show us what a wick fill is and potentially it shows an example on charts of how your entry would look like? Yeah, I got you. So if we do exclamation point wick fill, there's gonna be a nice post that explains to you what wick fill is. And I feel like a lot of traders don't know what this is exactly. So let me go ahead and talk about it right now. Right, so how wicks get filled here. So this is a wick fill here. This is what wick fill is. So this is a 1 hour candle here. And if you break it down within 4 15-minute candles, it looks something like this. Because you have the first 15, the second 15, the third 15. And then at some point you have to create a wick, right? And that's most likely going to be the bearish candle here. So then it looks something like this. You see how everything matches up? You have a low, you have a high, you have a closure, everything matches up. Perfect. And then next post. So whenever you have a wick fill, right, the 15-minute time from now is a range being created. Why? Because you create a resistance up here and then you create a support. This is the range that you're currently in. Cool, simple. So a wick is a range, right? You gotta understand that. So when price comes up to fill the wick like this, price is pushing up, filling the wick, your entries will most likely be here, the opening of the candle, because you're anticipating price to come up to fill the wick, right? After you create a bottom wick. So there's that's pretty simple to look at. But yeah, when price fills that wick on a smaller time frame, what's happening again on the 15-minute time frame that we had before, what's happening right now is price is just filling the ranges again. So when price fills the wick on a higher time frame, on a smaller time frame, all that price is doing is filling the ranges to go back up. And simple. That's it. That's what a wick fill is. Yeah, you had no bottom wick here. Price is coming down, create a bottom wick now. So if price exceeds the lows and it breaks the lows, then there's no more positions. But we should be solid until then. Thanks, Brad. No worries. You looking at gold here, Wix?
Yeah, I'm looking at gold, but it's not gonna happen here on gold. We have some waiting to do. GJ. No, we're not gonna sell as soon as it goes below that line. We're gonna wait for closures, but I think we have potential for both here. I think gold is just preparing for news. So it's not going to break any major support or resistance until we see news. And GJ just wants some more volume. GJ has a shit ton of volume, shit ton of bear volume. And we need some more volume to break the zone. I think this gold news might bring in enough volume for GJ to actually go. Can you borrow? Almost. From the pick them up by the bootstraps.
Sorry, child, I was doing something. What up, Marcos? How's your day 3 of popping big lot sizes, man?
Still poor. Still, I don't know what happened. Might have to go up.
He's down $100 today.
Yeah, I'm down 30. I'm down $45. I might have to retire.
The song is called Borrow Love. You might have to retire? Marcus, so you think you're gonna be retiring at before 30 years old?
Yes.
Really?
I don't think I'll be quote unquote retiring. I think I'll have more than enough passive income to not work if I don't feel like it. But I think retiring,
Really?
I don't think I'll ever quote unquote retire.
Just keep busy.
I like
Keep
doing
busy.
stuff. I think I'm focused on stacking bread, and then maybe in a few years I'll start building something of my own, like a rocket ship.
You know what? When you build something of your own, it creates jobs for others,
Exactly.
right?
Use the infinite money glitch as a tool to stack bread and start something of your own.
Never something of your own is never just for you.
Preach it, Wix. Preach it, Wix.
I think job, I don't know, let me take that back. Not job, I think opportunity creators are the most important thing for people. You need other people that create opportunities, that, you know, create ways to make money.
Tricking your body, baby. I think this line right here that I have on my screen could change the fact if you get a trade at 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. You know how, chat? This is a 1 hour candle, right? If I move my line up to here and you need a closure above the range, the next closure is in how long? 50 minutes. So if I move my line up to here, then we could get potential trades at 9 a.m. If I leave my line down here, then we can flip on this candle here to drive up. So what do you do?
The cleaner range, which is where you have it right now.
Yeah. I'm trying to figure out if this is a closure above or not. I want to see if we respect the 1 hour low or not. If we don't, if we do, then we don't. Yeah. What have you done? When do you think you'll have enough capital to be able to retire? I mean,
That's what we're saying. We don't want to retire. We want to stay. We want to do something. You know,
too early to
have enough
retire,
capital,
man.
Build other things around you. You don't have to like stop doing everything.
I may stop trading because of my final source of income that makes me a lot more in trading.
Exactly.
But I don't know if I'll retire.
1 hour low's broken.
Oh yeah, 1 hour lows broken. Cool. So yeah, so since the 1 hour lows are broken now, I'm going to consider this as a much stronger resistance here. So what I can do now is move my resistance up a little bit towards 824.376. Have it here, right? So we need a closure above. Wix has been looking out for other people this year. Must have taken a deep self-reflection. Bravo. Is that true? He's always been like this though. Wix has always been like this. Ever since I met him 2 years ago.
My favorite part about the stream is having people from all walks of life bring different perspectives to everything.
Go through some hard times. You'll do some reflecting. I think honestly, every trader does a lot of reflecting because it's such a you versus you. You know, it's like versus yourself type of thing. So individualized that like all of us, everyone that's trading, we pretty much all went through the same emotional roller coaster, or we're going through it. But this thing will test you. It won't test you physically. It'll test you inside. It'll tear you apart, break you down, and teach you who you are. And it'll actually make you a better person if you learn how to manage your emotions through trading. Are you playing Enya music? What are you doing?
No, I'm playing his Drake song. It's just the intro. It's the R. Kelly intro. Forgiveness. what was I playing? What'd you say?
And yeah.
I'm gonna start a broker and fund a program. That's a Wixtime start, man. Wixtime's broker is coming up 2022, right?
Give us some time.
Oh yeah, I think we have a runner now. Hold on. Chat, can we try the runner emoji? Give us some time. Man, there's no time. There's not enough time in this world, man. Did you watch that movie Time with Justin Timberlake? You guys know that movie? It's like the life, but your currency is not time. Your currency is, or sorry, your currency is not money. Your currency is time. So when you work, you gain time. Like how to say it? Like the more time you have, the more wealthy you are. So basically, like some people might have like a century on them. They're richer than the people who have like obviously like 40 hours on them. It's pretty fucked. It's pretty stupid and cool at the same time. But yeah, it's kind of fucked up though. It's like, and also you can give time to people. Like you can like, if someone needs help, you can give them like a century, or you can give them like a couple hours. And the moment you run out of time, you die. That's how it works. So at around like age 25, I think that's when you no longer use currencies and you use times. So you're 25 for the rest of your life, basically.
Yeah, about to break.
How much percent growth would you say you win per month? On average, 30%. 25-30%. What a break, what? 1 hour lows, JXTR?
Daily lows.
Oof.
Go to GJ.
We might get GJ 30-minute closure in 15 minutes here at news. Same thing as yesterday. Oof.
I'd rather take
Need a
GJ.
bottom wick though.
Yeah.
You got 15 more minutes.
Chat, you haven't done so yet, go follow up my Instagram page, alright? Your voice is perfect.
Analyze my charts every single day.
My voice is perfect. 15-minute may close below here, right? No bottom wick though. I think the 15-minute closure is pretty valid here. Pretty valid here with the closure. Pretty valid.
What? Really?
Yeah, because
the
15 hasn't closed left there. Rejected. So this is our first 15 closure. I think this next 15 should drive down. I was waiting for a 30-minute time frame. We're taking the chances of us missing the move, but it's a higher probability with the 30-minute closure.
I'm fine with the 30. I just need this one to pull back a little, leave a bottom wick, pull back. We got 15 minutes of play here. This is where the FOMO happens. People are like, oh no, do I enter? I don't want to miss out on by the time 30 closes. And most of the time, you don't miss out. Like, said it before, think about it. How many times have you entered a trade and you're like, fuck, I should have waited like 5 more minutes. Like 8 more minutes, or like 10. And just wait. Don't have impulse. Wait till the 8:30. Wait till actual closure. It runs, but chances are it's going to pull back and give us a position.
Well, I'm gonna take it.
The 15?
K Stafford said, lol, I'm gonna take it.
We go to
Solid,
it goes
man,
back to
solid.
those good profits versus bad profits too, right?
Yeah. Good profits versus bad profits.
Counting on my body, damn the things just start to pile. Judge me how you judge me, take them bitches out the trial. Fuck them niggas, how them niggas love you now? You don't know love, you don't love me like my child. Lay your ass down, and that liquor get you fired up. Turn up every day, girl, it don't say that in the Bible. Can't give it up, cause you love the lifestyle. Told the girls to meet at town. Now y'all doing shots, now them
We mentioned this, chat. You could miss the opportunity here. You could miss the sells here, but waiting for a 30 closure, you're setting yourself up for a much higher probability trade.
Mm-hmm.
This 15 also has no top wick too, so again, it could still flip bull here. If you're in this trade here, I think you should be well in break even, right? 8 pips in profit, you're definitely at break even here. This count shouldn't flip if it wants to drive.
I mean, where was your entry if you're in this trade? This shit went straight down. Like, you would have had to enter looking at the 30-minute time frame, breaking all the wicks to the left.
I couldn't. I wouldn't have entered anywhere.
Yeah, incredibly impulsive. Like, there's nothing.
The 15 opening, but there's no top wick.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. Went straight down. Didn't even like. So you could have been looking at the 15 closure and then going on the 30 and seeing it breaking previous wicks. But that's just so inconsistent. Let it set up the way we want, chat. Like, let it do exactly what we want so we can be comfortable in a trade. There's no reason for anyone to ever feel uncomfortable, regardless what job it is. Shouldn't be at a job. If you're feeling uncomfortable, like, no job is worth the discomfort. You got to be comfortable, and to do your job well, you got to come in there, you know, optimized. Be comfortable in a position. To manage a position well, you got to be comfortable in it.
Yep. You have a lot of ranges too. Like, look at all the ranges you have, like, to the left. So many ranges. Such clean ranges. Well, maybe not a lot of ranges. You had this range earlier. You could have caught that you broke down. You had this range that we broke down. You had this next range that we're approaching here. If this breaks, then you won't have a range until maybe below here until here, right? But look at all those ranges you have. Look at the daily candle one. GJ, what does it show? We have filled the wick. Looking left, where do you have clean traffic until now? Target, which is at 156,440. That's the daily support. Clean traffic. Just be patient, man. Don't be patient. There's no rush. Like Wick said, you know. Don't chase short-term opportunities too. I'm hungry. Peace out, Alex. Peace out, brother.
Later, bro.
Have a great day. Breaking daily lows, that's enough for me to take a trade personally. Yeah. I mean, breaking daily lows is good, but for me, I want something better. I want breaking the lows plus closures, right? Why not just add a trade to the top? Ooh, 15 flipped here. Oof. Oh yeah, let me just put sells below here closure. That's what we're waiting for.
This is good. It's created a top wick.
Yep.
Come back down and close.
It's like yesterday, we got news and we take a trade like a minute or two with the news. I think they're expecting what again? Mixed news, right? They're expecting bad numbers and good numbers.
I haven't looked.
Wait, yeah. Am I tripping? 0.04. This is a lot high. Wait, they're expecting good numbers. Sorry. Yeah, good numbers. Good numbers. I'm tripping. They're expecting good numbers, and then they're expecting good numbers as well. So both are good numbers for $1. I got confused earlier. MGG Impulse Entries crying right now. Yeah. Now you're trying to shit your pants, right? SIE. Let me change that my bot thing. Gotcha. Ooh, goal rejected. No buys. 4 hours flipping now. MM, I guess you're right. 4 hours flipping now. We're approaching that support here. Yeah, so sell to me would be below here. Range. Iron Apio sad.
Rapios. It's one of my favorite lines on the whole album.
Yeah, maybe range 2 breakout sells here. What's going on, guys? I appreciate you guys being here today. If you guys aren't a member yet, go ahead and become a member of the channel. Only works on the browser. You have access to emotes and all that good stuff. And yeah, go subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't. It's okay, you don't gotta be a member, but just make sure you guys subscribe. It's free. Leave a like. Appreciate you guys a lot for being here today. Helps the stream a lot. Yeah, risk management is key. Now I'm concerned if we're actually gonna get a closure or not below the support on GJ. I took 2 L's there for not putting stocks to break even. Oof. How come you decided to do something different today? I mean, do you normally put stocks to break even where you would put them today? If yes, then yeah, you fucked up. But if not, then I guess you followed your plan and it happens to just not work, right? But what do you normally do, Jack Fong? What was your favorite song on the Weekend album? That one song, what's it called? This song. Sounds fire, man. The Less Than Zero song? Song was fire. Oh, words of wisdom from Nuke. Words of wisdom from Nuke right there.
What you talking about? What I that type of shit?
Yeah, ice cold Nuke.
Yeah, bro, that's true.
If you were at break even, you saved yourself some funds for the next trade. Music's off again.
It's off?
It like cuts out.
Over there.
Damn, it's loud.
Oh, loud.
It's loud?
No.
It's loud.
It's so loud.
Must knock me off my seat.
I didn't put trades taken, my bad, guys. It was gold buys, right? We took?
Old buys.
I bring it. Weekend's not real enough for Wix then.
Like I can't be over here like this to the weekend and shit. Like, I'm sorry.
I can. Just so fire.
This is something like a group of females will listen to in like a convertible while driving down to the beach.
What?
I'm serious.
You didn't like Blind Lights, a song?
It's alright when it dropped.
Is that a Super Bowl? Come on. Sounds like the Super Bowl.
You don't even watch football, bruh.
I know I don't, but I watched that performance though.
Oh, man.
Oh, got a 15-minute talk wick starting to flip bearish here. Might get a closure below the range in about 2 minutes and 24 seconds here, chat. Be careful, wait patiently. Could have some potential positions there. This is the #1 stream in the game. Is crazy, bro. This guy.
NX always with
the fucking out of pocket shit. Who broke your heart? GJ did, man. GBP JPY did today. Give me a break-even trade. Sadly.
Well, he said Super Bowl, so there's only one football.
I don't watch soccer. I don't watch football though. I watch hockey, basketball, volleyball. That's it. I don't watch baseball.
Volleyball? Where do you watch volleyball? You gotta go to the beach to watch it.
No, on YouTube. Bro, those guys are crazy, man. Those volleyball guys are jumping crazy high.
No, I know that, but they don't really have like an audience.
Nah. Oh yeah, you're right. Not as much as basketball and soccer though. It's not that popular.
It's not popular. Like probably the worst player in the NBA gets paid more than the best player in the world in volleyball.
This guy's nasty. Look at this guy. This guy's nasty.
Oh, he's Japanese. Yeah, I can tell he's nasty. You know why? Look at the leaf.
This is nasty.
He's not even tall.
He's not. He's like.
But he's compared to everyone on the team. Look.
He's shortest. He's the shortest. Yeah. That's nasty.
Wax on, wax off.
Oh my god.
I used to love volleyball.
I still do. It's fun to watch though.
But like this is different volleyball than we're used to, you know. Like this is actually
that's haiku or whatever. That's that anime.
Competing.
Oh yeah, that's the anime. That's what everyone watches.
That's that anime.
And they're playing against the Italians. The Italians are about to like start kicking the ball right now. For them to win, they need to kick this ball.
Yo, watch this shit. Watch this shit. Oh! Yo, he went for a hit. He's passed it. That's crazy.
Yeah, that boy's nasty. He's a lefty too.
He went up for a hit. Boom.
And saw the blockers.
Oh, that's nasty. That's nasty, bro. That's nasty. It's very insane. Yeah, he's a lefty too. News, yeah, you have news here, chat. You have news here, chat. You want to get off topic there. News, how's news coming out? They're expecting good numbers. Bad numbers.
Close below.
GJ, about to flip.
Oh yes. Chat, gonna have a sell stop here on GJ Ashley here. Gonna have a sell stop at 156741 on GJ. All right. Sell stop placed on the flip of the candle here. Stop loss is the previous candle high for around 15 pips. TP is gonna be around 30 pips. 1 to 2 RR today on its trade. Mm. 156.
What's your exact entry?
741. My exact entry is, I'm trying to let you know right now. 156719. On Church the Man. Church the Man. Wow, it's not flip on the Church. I don't know why Church is so different today for some reason.
Way different, like 3 pips off.
Yeah, it's weird. Whatever. So stop here, chat. Not activated yet. Setup type. Closure. Range. Entry type is flip of candle after top wick. All right. Simple. TP is 156.440. Stop loss is gonna be, if you break the highs before we get activated, then we're just gonna delete the sell stops. All right, that's the plan for that. But we should be breaking the highs if we want to drive down here, 30-minute highs at least. And if you do break 30-minute highs, then you're gonna have to wait for probably most likely the 1 hour highs to break, or 1 hour high candle to close. 1 hour candle to close at 9 a.m. And we are breaking the highs, maybe? No, not yet. And no. Oh, wait. Very close. If you break the highs, it's not just a waste of time.
Did.
Wait. And
Trader's domain is
it's still there. Churchman is still there. Hasn't broken yet. It's fumbling. Let's see.
How did the news come out?
Mix. Oh, both bad. Sorry, both bad. Bad numbers. So gold should continue up, right? But here's with news.
I guess we'll never know.
We never know what news. All right, chat. Yeah, I'm deleting the sell stops here. We broke the highs officially here, so there's no sells here until the 1 hour candle closure, probably. All right. Because price had to respect the previous 30-minute highs for us to really drive down here. If we didn't have a top wick here, I understand why we would be breaking the highs, but since it's a top wick already, it doesn't make sense anymore. You might as well wait for the 1 hour candle to close at 1 a.m. or 9 a.m. What pair is that? This is GJ. GJ Jake D.
I know, bad news for currency. Gold should be on its way up, right? So, you know, is this the pullback?
I didn't think we'll break the highs here, to be honest.
Me neither.
I thought we just drive down the flip. But I'm surprised news came out negative and dollar's still pushing down here. Or
doing nothing, actually.
Yeah, gold's not pushing up. Surprise. Yeah, you want a 1 hour closure. Let me just put that in this font. Alright. Did we impulse enter GJ? I missed? No, we didn't take positions. We had a sell stop. We broke the high, so we deleted the sell stops.
2 hour wick fill.
2 hour wick fill. Did you have that sell stop too, Marcos?
Yeah, I deleted it.
Everyone had it? JXTR, Nuke?
Yeah, I had it.
What is it again? My audio cut.
Did you have the sell stops earlier?
Yeah, I deleted it. It's a shame the 30-minute close was so perfect.
I know. Perfect. Start.
On to the next trade.
Weekend does have a high pitch voice. Wix. Weekend has a super high pitch voice.
I said that before.
I know. I just took it in. I already knew he did, but I'm just listening. Like, yeah, his voice is pretty high.
If he called me and asked for somebody, I'd be like, no, ma'am. Maybe like,
No, he doesn't talk like that. Went for a buy? No, brother. We explained the whole scenario just now. We explained the sell stop, the TP, the stop loss, and then we explained why we deleted the sell stops. We understood that we broke the highs. There's no sells.
But on the screen it says sells. Here.
Yeah.
So more sells.
We didn't take anything. There was no positions. All right. Supposed to have me on mute. If you had a last year on mute, there was no positions. Spread got you in. I'm sad. Really? We're so far. We're like 3 pips away, 2 pips away at one point. On tradesman, I was so far away. Breaking out,
yeah,
flipping.
I wasn't even close.
Yeah, unless you had a high spread broker, and that's different.
No. Here's the thing: if you put 745, if you put trading view numbers into trader's domain, you might have been activated.
Screen is so small. Oh yeah, my yeah, that's what my sell was like a 719 or something. It's a lot lower than 770. Screen is so hard to see, bro. I mean, regardless, like you even hear me talk and explain the trade, right? If you know the basis of what we do, you know that there's no bias here. Like you know for a fact that there's sells we're looking for, right? If you were new here, then I can get why you might be confused. With everything that shows on the screen and what I was saying, there's no reason to think I was biased. There's a closure below the range. My worst fear here is we flip parachute drive down before the 1 hour closes. Then we'll be doomed. So people in chat to diluted healer explain everything. Yeah, I don't know. I can't
there
get.
We go.
Can't get any better than that.
Gold's reacting to the news.
So you should flip here.
Like, look at GJ on the hourly.
That makes sense, Jake. Just show a bit more. You get a better understanding of things. Just keep showing up.
We might get an hourly closure, like the half hour, like the 30-minute closure.
GJ?
Yeah.
You mean like the 9 a.m. closure, right?
Yeah. That 4 hour wick might be steep as hell. Might have the 4 hour wick might give you an onion on the smaller time frames on GJ. So there's a bunch of things to look out for just because there's a lot of movement, a lot of volume. Yeah, gold breaking highs.
Solid. Irrespective of that support on a 30. Oh, what a huge 1 hour bottom wick. 4 hour never broke the lows too.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, if we close bullish above the range here, Wicks. That's what you were talking about all the time last year.
That
Oh,
big
Cano
ass
just,
wick.
yeah, last second just closes above. 1 hour closure above, chat, is what we want for gold here.
This is huge. These are huge stops. Like, this isn't something I'm debating even right now until we see some closures above. But that is something we noticed a lot last year, that the last second you see a long candle that wiped out the previous 3-4 candles come back up and flip.
Wouldn't be surprised if G just flips too. It just drives down.
And not just flip, not that we noticed it flew, we noticed that after it flipped, the whole point we noticed is that the next candle will create a bottom wick and drive straight up or straight down. Just starts driving.
You offendee. Is it better if I do this? My screen for you guys, right side, left side. Therefore, it doesn't cover up the charts. No. You can see the left side too. Is that better? Or is that better? More bigger screen, but less space.
Like this.
Left, please.
Left.
Okay, cool. Right side for sure. No, bro.
So you can't see what's going.
Let me know. Song name, it's King of the Fall by The Weeknd. It's a bit old. Right side for sure, right? Are you in a trade? No, we're not in a position. If I'm in a position, you will see me in a position. Similar to these positions here. If I was in a position, you'll see me in one like this. So I got in a sell here. Here, see, I'll say I got in a sell here, chat. My TP is here. My stop loss is here. You see this on my screen if I was in a position.
He's in a seated position at the moment.
Left side. All right, dope. I'll leave it left side. I'm to the channel. Can I still show up to a live? I mean, you're here live. You can show up. Show up every day, man.
Damn.
Gold doesn't look bad to get a closure.
Like gold buys would be great because we have the news on our side too. Like the numbers came out negative, so we'd want to see some buys here. I mean, we'd expect to see a bullish movement.
New here? A lot of people are new here. If you're new here, welcome to the stream chat. Appreciate you being here. What would be the stops you get for buys for gold? That's the issue though. Stops to be way too big. Right? You can't use the previous 1 hour lows as stops. Let's say you get a closure above the range like so. Right? Let's say you get it something like this. That's the bottom wick. You can't have a stop loss that big for a TP that small. You can't have a 62 pip stop loss for a 20 pip TP. The R doesn't make any sense. It's a negative 1 and 3. However, maybe later on if you break above 1828, or maybe you can wait for the 1 hour candle to close. So this 15 closes the way it does, like so, and the next 15 closes above like this. Maybe this would give you a better RR. You could take it at 9 AM on this 15. The loss is the previous 15 and TP is up here. That's an opportunity, but we really gotta wait and see how this 1 hour candle closes. It's very key here. And GJ, I hope it just flips or something. It's also what? Hello.
4 hour.
Oh, 4 hour.
Same close. Gold might close bullish on the 4 hour, which is a good sign.
50 pip candle, 5 minutes. 50 pip, 5 minute candle. Sick.
You have more news today? 10 AM. Tomorrow's retail sales, right? I hate 8:30 news. Monday is chill. Tuesday is chill next week. Wednesday looks pretty chill as well. Thursday, yeah, cool. Next week should be a better week regarding news. We won't have news affecting us as much at the 8:30 candle. This is much better.
Closed.
Hey, Mr. High Value himself, welcome.
Yeah, CPI news. London session.
Celery with current candle stop loss. On what, gold? Is that a new support on a GJ 1 hour forming? GJ 1 hour? No, it's just for support that we've been rejecting off of. Same support right here. We never closed below the support yet on a 1 hour. That's why we needed a 1 hour closure here for sales. It's still respecting it.
Opinion?
Yeah, maybe. No bottom looking at Canada though. Yeah. I really want us to like at least close below here on a new 4 hour candle. It'll be much better, much easier for a day. But whatever, Raymond. Bro, can you share your playlist or profile name from Spotify? I did not take a note last time you shared it. Yeah, I got you. Spotify. That's my Spotify. Gold sell, just watch. Chat, can I get a TYG in the chat? TYG? TYG in the chat. Guys, you should be on the ball before me. TYG. I wish Moz can start a chant. Twitch, man. You gotta catch up to YouTube, or YouTube, you gotta catch up to Twitch.
Does YouTube have an emote only chat?
No, I don't have that. I don't have that. No, I don't have that. It sucks.
What, Twitch has that?
Yes, Twitch has that. Twitch has so many more
Twitch
options.
has a lot more features.
Lots.
A lot of features, little people.
Next,
Most of the people there are gamers.
Yeah, because on Twitch, it's like if your chat gets too crazy, you can't be reading chat. So, or if it gets too toxic, you don't want to read chat. You just put emo only, and therefore you can only like engage with the streamer with the emotes. I'm gonna get a W emoji in a second.
Man. You see, there it is, music gone again.
Badges, emotes, emoji. Where's my chat? There it is. 10 minutes left for closure. WWW. That's a nice emote. Keyboard.
Look, I like my bitches red bone, ass fat, jello, light skin, yellow, iced out.
I'm the king.
I'm the king of New York, mellow, black hair by the Regis and pillow.
Wait, yo, Pop Smoke is from where's he from? Brooklyn?
From New York. I don't know if he's from Brooklyn.
Oh. Christian Dior, yo.
I'm the king of New York, mellow.
I realize you like artists from New York. You like Rocky. You like.
Oh yeah, no, I love Jada. I love Fabulous. Those are like my top. I love Jim Jones and Cameron.
Oh, Jim Jones.
And all.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I used to fuck Dipset. You listen to the old Dipset. I mean, there's no new Dipset. You listen to Dipset.
Probably a couple of tracks.
Dipset was the three of them. It was a set. It was Cameron. It was a group. It was Cameron, Jim Jones, and
Jim Jones in it.
Who was the third one in Dipset? Cameron, Jim Jones, and what was the other one? I should know this.
Jared Ryder. Joe Santana.
Jewels, there we go. Originally it was Freaky Zeke and then it was Joel Santana. Joel's had a lot of freestyles, a lot of fire shit. Yeah, there we go. He's from Canarsie. I know Canarsie projects real well.
You know current artists though? Why? You know A Buggy?
I don't listen to that shit. I listen to Pop Smoke. I like Pop Smoke. But you know, he's not here no more. What am I gonna do? Max B's fire. Yeah, listen to that.
Max B. I know he's from New York.
The Nobly.
Don't have resistance forms on GJ potentially on the third cell to the lows. What do you think? Resistance forms on GJ? Yeah, that'll be the onion play. Yeah.
Yeah.
We haven't gotten that in a while though. Something like this at resistance, and we look to come down to retest the lows later on, right? That's what you want, but that won't be for a while here. That's like in the next hour probably before those candles close.
Yeah, I feel like people are listening to this like a few minutes behind or something. Refresh your YouTube page, chat. Yeah, I used to like 50-50 was from New York too.
Gonna actually the dad of FX on the new music. The dad of FX, they call you, Wix.
Who wrote that?
Someone said you're the dad of FX. Move your hands too.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
That's all I do, bro.
Out of FX. Father Forex.
Okay, I'm gonna head out now. Have a great day. Thanks for the stream. No worries, Amen. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate you for being here today. All love. Have a great training day. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, right? Oh, tomorrow's Friday. First successful week back. On 30 on GJ later on, yeah, potentially, but it's not formed yet, right? It's not formed yet. Man, I don't know. I want a sales blow here on GJ, but it's gonna be a while, man. Unless we get to move at 9:30, I don't know. I wish we got that trade earlier because we call that day at 9 a.m. We don't gotta be here, but
I kick it till 10.
we might kick it till like 9:30.
9:30.
I'm not doing much today. I got my vaccination later on, but that's it.
Oh no, the V word again. You think if you were like promoting it, you get more views?
Promoting what?
The V word.
The what?
The V word.
Nah, I won't get more views. I get less views. They'll blacklist me.
No, not saying bad things, like good things, like promoting it.
No. No. I don't know. I don't know. I don't think so. I don't know. Let's try it. You want to start, Wix?
Absolutely
Please-
not.
Please don't. Please, God, no.
Well, are you one of them?
I'm gonna sign off.
You've been quiet all day, bro.
Yo, what you doing? What you doing, Marcos?
Locked in on other stuff.
He's wearing a wire.
FBI.
He's getting your location right now, chat. Say something.
Marcos making an NFT right now. Training snowboarding. I want to go snowboarding. Oof. Tap that resistance perfectly. Great. I think we can move our support. I want to move my support down a 30-minute time from here on GJ, but the 1 hour will be kept the same way. Can't throw me off. It's fine. I'll leave it here, I guess. I'll leave it here. Won't make a difference. What do you guys do for the rest of the day after the stream ends, chat? What do you guys do? Back to 9 to 5. Hopefully that ends soon, right? Dinner. What time is it for you right now? Low load. Damn. W. I'm in the marijuana industry. Nice. Nap and hit the gym. Oh, nap and hit the gym sounds like a good plan. That sounds like a great plan. You ever take naps, Wicks, or no? You ain't got time.
Oh.
Damn.
What's that?
Fall down as MTN in this is today's agenda. Sleep at 1 a.m. here. Damn. That's kind of a good time of trade though. I kind of like that time, the nighttime of trade. I wish Asian session and New York session kind of swapped sometimes.
Okay, me and you gotta talk.
What, me?
Me and Kay.
Oh. You start trading after the stream? Damn. Okay. Cool.
What do you do after the stream ends? Start trading. Love it. Come on.
Go buy and sell real estate? Nice. How long you been in that industry for? Should we sell GJ? There's no sells. There's only two possibilities here for sells. The first possibility here is to get a closure at resistance here. You get a closure at resistance, which indicates that we have found resistance in this range. Therefore, we should continue down towards bottom of the range. So you will look for sells on the next candle, bearish, coming down. Two, you get sells below here. So you have an opportunity here or an opportunity here. But until we actually close bearish, there's no confirmation yet for sells. All right. So maybe at 9:30, you might get that 30-minute onion play. So I'll be here waiting along to see what happens. So 9:30. Probably gonna hop off at 9:30 if we get no opportunities. Same as yesterday. All right. I just need to get a snack, man. I'm hungry. I'm gonna find something, BRB. You guys chill out. Hold on.
What are you making? Marcos, did you make those eggs yesterday?
I did. 3 scrambled, piece of toast, 4 slices of bacon.
You know what I did as soon as I got off stream? I was so hungry. I went in the fridge and had no eggs.
Ooh.
But then I opened the drawer and I had pasta. And I opened the fridge and it had a piece of salmon.
Salmon?
Yeah.
You call it salmon?
What?
Come
Salmon.
on, man. Shit.
Yeah.
Yo, chat. 1 if it's salmon, 2 if it's salmon. Come on, man. Shit.
It's salmon. You can say it. You could say it.
Salmon.
You ain't from the place I'm from.
Look at the chat, man. Where are you from, Narnia? Oh, you got one.
No. Trust me. You move to Brooklyn, they're gonna be saying salmon. They're not. They don't say
I'm
salmon.
not gonna cancel my lease.
Telling you, you move to Brooklyn, they're gonna be saying salmon.
Oh, I got a headache. God damn, that was funny. Don's gonna be like, what? I don't know. Salmon?
Hold on, don't tell him. Ask him how.
Yeah, we will.
Hold on. Say the word that I type in the chat. Don, you hear us?
What's up?
Can you say the word I just typed in the chat?
Salmon.
You're fucking Canadian, bro.
What is it? Salmon?
Yo, look at the chat. Scroll back on the chat. So, yo, Wickstein says salmon.
What the fuck is salmon, bro? It's salmon.
Yo, he left. He's gone.
Isn't it salmon?
Like 90% of chat said salmon.
It's salmon, yeah.
He's fucking Canadian, that's what. You
Nah.
can't ask Canadians. Yo, this is.
This music's gotta go.
It don't matter how you say it. It was delicious.
Nah, yours tastes different, bro. Roll celery.
Yeah, beautiful onion play. Setting up.
What are you eating? Sounds delicious.
A Cliff Bar. You hear it?
Yeah.
Is there anything keeping us out of this 30-minute flip?
New 4 hour.
I gotta break down the new 4-hour candle.
Yeah, it's bearish at support.
Yeah, new 4-hour candle closed bearish here. Should come down and fill it out wick. However, looking left, you are still respecting the support right here. I wanted us to close below there, but close respecting it. We're still bearish though, but it sells for me the same thing. I think I need a closure below 8 and 20 here. Closure
Called
below.
it. 2-hour wick fill.
We need oh no, we did catch a gold on Monday, the first stream back. Yeah, we need a closure below 8 and 20 here.
We didn't have a trade on Monday, did we?
Yeah, we did.
Oh, on Tuesday we didn't have a trade. That's what it was.
Or GSL, I think. I lied. It was GSL, not gold. Was it? I swear this is gold we got.
No, GJ. We had our only trades were GJ.
Oh, okay. Okay. Cool. Yeah. I mean, GJ, we need a 30-minute closure here for his onion play. Marcos, do you have a oh no, a 30-minute starter play you can take probably if you want to trade.
Yeah, it's clean, but it's taking a sell right into support. I'm just gonna wait for a closure. It's borderline chalked. Borderline.
Don't discourage the chat.
I want to play that one song.
Back. You back, baby.
Let's hear that. That one song.
Back.
This song.
She wanna go viral. This young Metro don't trust you. She wanna go viral. We fucking for hours. That pussy got power. That pussy got power. She wet in the shower.
Let's hear it. With Drake. Are you copying and drip? Nah, man. No drip. I haven't caught drip in a while. Last thing I caught was like maybe these heads is a drip.
I have like a big cart that I made on Goat, and I just like never want to pull the trigger.
Of shoes?
It's so hard. It's so hard for me to justify like anything that's clothes or shoes related. I'm like,
it's funny. First thing anybody does when they come up is buy some Jordans.
Yeah, but bro,
I just can't do it. I don't know what it is. It's like I have like a mental barrier. I'm like, I could invest that.
no, but it's the thing. It's the thing with those things you buy though. You can sell it though. If you don't want it, you can sell it. It's not you're buying like Forever 21 clothes. You're buying like actual shit that you can resell.
But I'm telling you right now, if I buy some $350 dunks, I'm gonna wear them bitches. So
he ain't reselling them shit.
I ain't reselling them. You know what I mean? I just can't. It's so hard for me to buy expensive clothes.
You wear them.
Oh damn.
And then you get bored of them. You sell them.
Yeah, if you keep them in good condition, not wear them around Brooklyn, and turn into beaters real fast.
That's why you need multiple pairs.
Rock one, stock one. Adidas NMDs. Nah, I'm off the Adidas kick.
Discussion when niggas got rich off of dropping my gully. How do you even be rocking with Buddy? The pictures I seen, I'm like, damn, it got lucky. Take it from him and I leave him with nothing. She wanna go viral.
I'm in EU, nice. I'm in no positions here. I'm waiting for a closure here on GJ and Gold here. Hopefully we get something, but we have 20 minutes left, chat. Just figure people should not care about expensive clothes. It's not like, I mean, people wear what they want to wear at the end of the day, right?
Exactly. I was about to say it's more like,
doesn't matter if,
like if you're a sneakerhead or if you're like a drip head, like you don't care if it's like $200 or if it's $20.
You're not wearing it for price.
It is what it is.
Yeah.
It is what it is. Like I get some $80 kicks, then people are like, why the fuck? And then I get some $500 kicks, and people are like, yo, why the fuck? And I'm like, cause that's what I like. It's not about not the price. That's what I'm into.
Yeah, like I bought jacket, you know. It's like I didn't buy it because it was expensive. I want to flex as expensive. I bought it because like I like the brand. I like, you know.
Just in most of those cases, it's also an investment.
Previous song name Gunna and Drake. I think it's called Pussy Power. It's a leaked. How'd you find that song? I know a lot of leaks. I stay up with the music. Yeah, similar situation with expensive cars. Like, I mean, some people don't. I mean, I think cars are a bit different though. I think a lot of people buy. Actually, no, it's the same thing. It's like a status thing. It's like, yo, I got this car. I'm rich. I got money. I can buy the car. I can afford this Lambo. You know, it's like a status flex type thing. I think same thing with clothes sometimes, but I don't know. You here drinking the hot sauce? Yeah, we heard about it. Yeah, we talked about it yesterday. Yeah, we heard. They appreciate the same as clothes? Not quite. Some clothes stay, if anything, go up over time. It depends what clothes you buy though.
Cars have gone up over the last year, especially exotic and like expensive cars. High-end Beamers have fucking jumped in price. Ridiculous. I got a lot of friends with a lot of expensive cars, and and they all like are getting ridiculous offers. Like,
how come?
Because metal has gone up in price, chips have gone, like electronics have gone up in price, so everything you need to build a car went up in price, and like there's a shortage of like exotic cars and expensive cars, and like my boy he's got a G63 that he waited a few months to get. I think he paid 200 or 220 to get it, and he's getting offers of 260, 270 from dealerships, and he's had it for about 9 months driving it. He just flipped his another friend of mine, sold a McLaren for 20 grand that he bought it for, and he drove it for a year and a half. So
crazy.
I'm trying to see if we can get a closure here on GJ for 15 minutes onion play here. I want to see if we can close like right here, a little below these bodies here, and then next 15 should drop down because it's the first 15 are early. But look at the 4 hour candle; it's already halfway filling that wick. Well, what should stop it from not continuing, right? Especially after the first 15 closes bare, and the 15 closing bearish too. So it's like you can wait for a 30-minute time frame, but the thing with that is you may miss this opportunity for the sells on if you wait for the 30, and the 15 looks pretty promising here. It's about the range. So I'm making sure taking sells here, chat. We're using a bottom wick and a top wick, obviously.
Look at the 2 hour for the sake of argument.
Well, I don't have it on my screen. What's the show?
I know. Oh shit, we got no bottom wick. Nothing. It shows a wick fill, like I was saying.
No bottom wick here on that 15. Great. I guess no positions at all. I guess we gotta wait for a 30.
Still open.
Yeah, let's wait for a 30 now.
And I think it's gonna come down and make that bottom wick from the previous 30.
Have you ever thought about streaming audio as a podcast? I thought about it. Yeah, I wanted to convert my streams to audio for Spotify and stuff. I don't know how to do it. I gotta figure it out. I wanted to, yeah. People listen in cars. You don't need visuals all the time. You can just imagine it. Look at your charts and refer to the same thing. A 15-minute candle, right? Everyone knows what the 15-minute candle is. If you zoom in enough, you can see the bottom wick. You're right. This kind of has no top wick too.
Or if you spread your chart wide enough, you'll get a wick. Yeah, but how long would it take to convert the stream?
It's 3 hours.
Holy shit.
It's a long stream, you know?
I still use it.
You're buying a 2020 Range Rover? Nice. Yeah, I'm not into cars as much, chat. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I was never a car head. I didn't get my driver's license yet. Cars are cheap in Canada due to CAD. Cheap? I think it's the same thing converted over, isn't it?
Cars are sheep.
Oh, it's cheap.
What the fuck does that mean?
Any advice on finding or networking with other Forex traders? When I first started, I met a lot of people through group chats. That was me though. Those group chats. You can network with a lot of people here. A lot of people here in the chat have known each other, have talked to each other, and they became friends outside of the stream. You know, we have living proof of that. You gotta spend a lot of time in the community you like, you know, where other people are like the same thing as you. Also, I don't want to be the one uploading it too, so I'm probably gonna have someone else do it for me. Someone that has access to my YouTube and just record and upload it as audios. I need a Gary V editor. I know one of those guys that edit like Gary V videos. He edits a clip from every stream or something and makes it into everything. An audio recording, a TikTok. That's what I need.
Old's just ugly. Look at the 15.
I know. Yeah, Gold's probably won't be moving until we flip around. 1 hour closes. 10 minutes left for a 30-minute closure here, chat. We may get positions, alright? Stay calm and just be patient.
Coming, we gonna take them on the chase. I ain't getting no. I'm at the bank, beating it down. Right before I make all my rounds. I beat that hoe with no sound. Bitch, no one YSL bound. Whole half a mil for a show. Watch me control the whole crowd. Fury gone, ain't no choice but be loud. Ice on my neck, I can drown. I will wait, Mr. Chow. Something to put in her mouth. I'll make her fly to the west. Then tell that little bird to go south.
Calling it a session? Really? You're not gonna wait for this 30-minute onion? Ooh, that 15's coming. What camera do you use for streaming? C920, I believe is what it's called. C920, a 1080 camera. I'm gonna get a 4K camera soon, but grateful for Don for streaming or giving this opportunity. No worries, man. Thanks for showing up today. That'll be stream. Who in chat from Miami? I think a lot of people from Miami. A lot of traders are from Miami in general. Traders are from Miami or Atlanta. That's what I see. Increase your output to 1440p on my camera. Fuck, man, this is like, I don't know how to do that stuff, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. How can we leave when the stock market opens? Because our trading window is from 6:30 to, or sorry, New York open to New York opening. So like 8 a.m. was the New York opening. We're like an hour and a half into it. We could get more volume at 9:30, yeah, but like, I mean, my job isn't to be on stream or be trading for 4 or 5 hours a day. You know, I'm on for only 3 hours, 2.5 hours. That's my day. If I don't get an opportunity within those 2 hours, I'm calling it. If I do, then. Also, NY's New York Open and London overlap is a lot more volatile than NYC Open. Because you have the London overlap. we're kind of late into the London session now. The London session's starting to die off a little bit. You will get another push with the NYSE, but London's not there to back it up. These traders flock to Miami just so they don't have to pay taxes. Yes, they don't gotta pay a lot of taxes. Yep.
No, it's not traders. It's just people flock to Miami, flock to Florida, especially right now. Yeah.
Yeah, it's Zoom annotations. So GJ, we're waiting for a 30-minute closure here. We need a 30-minute bearish channel closure to confirm we have made a resistance. And then I'll take sell is coming down like this. If you don't like that, then wait for a closure below the support, which is this entry later on. Use OBS or Streamlabs? I use Streamlabs. I used to use OBS. OBS is a lot better, but I'm too lazy to go back and switch now. Respect from London? Hey. Appreciate it. Do you continue trading when the stream's over? No, I do not. I do not.
Only if we see something set up.
Yeah.
We're like, all right, the next 15, 20 minutes, half hour.
I like the current time, man. I like the current I like my East Coast time. It's a good time at 6:30. It's like perfect in the morning. It's not too late. It's not too early. It's like perfect. My day finishes at like 10 a.m., 11 a.m. You don't say. What do you do for work other than trading? Nothing. Trading is my full-time career. This is my only work. Like after 9:30, I'm done. Like my job's done for a day. I move on to creating content maybe for Instagram, but other than that, that's about it. Five minutes for a closure. What is the advantage of buying signals than watching the stream? You get signals outside the streams. People are on a goal. People are outside, work at their job, you know, whatever, doing whatever. They get a signal, boom. They don't gotta be watching the live streams for a signal, and also they get signals outside of the stream, like sometimes Asian, sometimes pre-NY, sometimes after the stream ends, you know. Did you like Jay-Z, Wix?
Yeah, I like Jigga.
I love Jay-Z.
5 minutes.
Blow the whistle. This is me after a trade.
Now double your money and make it stack. I'm on to the next one. On to the next one.
That's a classic, bro.
What part of Miami you from? Right near the beach, boy.
3 minutes.
Kendall's far from me. Kendall's a good hour drive. No, I'm lying. Kendall's like 30 minutes.
I've been on that next shit, traded in a gold for the platinum Rolexes. Now a nigga wrist match the status of my records. Used to rock a throwback, ballin' on the corner. Now
now I rock a telesuit, looking like a owner. No, I'm not a Jonas, brother, I'm a grown-up. No, I'm not a virgin, I use my cojones. I move onward, the only direction. Can't be scared to fail, search of perfection. Gotta keep it fresh, even when we sexing. Or don't be mad at him when it's on to the next one.
All right, Chad. If there was a time to be awake this morning,
we've been right
and to
now.
really be on and really be on your shit and on your game, it's right now. So slap yourself and, you know, concentrate. This is the time to execute. You bring me back the money, please.
Could we on? 2 minutes left. Big bro, do y'all broadcast every trading day? Yes sir. Monday to Friday, 6 a.m. Eastern to 9 to 10 a.m. Eastern every day. Yep. Been doing it for 2.5 years or 2 years. Imagine being committed to a stream for 2 years. That's pretty hard. Especially when at the start you had no viewers. It's very hard. It's very hard. Very hard to stay motivated. Very hard to like, what's the point of me streaming if only one person's watching me? That's tough, man. Beginning. R is bad. My TP will be down here at 146, 440. That's my TP. Yourselves. I'm gonna need a decent top wick though, man. A decent top wick. But summer buy. Oh my gosh. We are taking sells, man, with the bearish kind of closure of resistance. We've been looking for sells the whole entire day. Yeah. Must be new here, aren't you? Why'd you decide to stream? I was already an educator beforehand. I had my own groups, my own channels already on Telegram. So I'm like, why not just stream? That was it. If this thing closes doji, I'm closing my charts up right there. Bruh. Oh, that's this. Can you push down a little bit further? I don't like the way it looks. On 30. Because the 1 hour can still flip bullish here now. I wanted this 15 to close like doji. It's 30 to close a little lower.
I wanted this to close like below like 156, like 9.
Yeah. It opened nice. Let's see what it does.
Yeah, I think it'll play out if it flips.
I need a bigger top.
I think it's better to wait for the breakout lows here, to be honest. I'd rather wait for the breakout lows with the 15-minute start play. I don't really like how like it closed. I wanted us to close with like what Michael said, below the support here. But we close all the way up here. So now I'd rather wait for breakout lows. And then breakout lows, I'm risking like 19 pips for a TP of 40 pips, which is still fine. But I think it's a much stronger confirmation, for me at least. And from here to here, you have a solid like 10 pips anyways, right? So you're closing half, you got runners risk free on a breakout lows. Alright, let's go. Sell stop.
I feel like there's a support there in the 30.
15-minute starter play. Well, it's like initially it's the same entry as this, but it's just a breakout lows instead. Why, you worried about that support there? You want to go risk free there, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Are you in?
No, I was thinking about doing half a position like I typically do, but
yeah,
I don't like it here. I want this wick to touch the top of this range, top of the previous candle, and then I'll think about getting in on the flip. If it goes up there, rejects, and comes back down here, I'm gonna enter on the flip. I'm on the rebreak of the lows of the current candle.
It is
But
the
it's gotta
onion
come
play.
back up there.
It is the onion play, chat. If you had a decent, if this thing just closed like where it was earlier at 900, I'll be in right now on this candle, because this candle should drive down, but the way it closed, pretty much support on 15, I just kind of bogged my mind. Yeah, gold is chalk completely. You don't want to be in gold right now. This shouldn't go viral if it was in English, for real. Yeah, if we break the highs here, it's probably gonna call it a day. If you break above 157 here, we're probably gonna continue up towards 157.273, and our day is done, I guess. Move on to tomorrow. Let me go. Forever young.
Did it break up its own lows? No.
Yep. Here goes, maybe. How big are stop loss for that? Oh, it was only 9 pips. Solid. Solid.
You got a sell stop?
I got a sell stop at 156.852.
Two. Five two. That's not below the candle, you know, right?
No, on thing it's it's at 845 on Cheers, man. There you go. It's below the candle on Cheers, man, which is where it is on this, but it's different prices obviously today.
Yeah.
Your Instagram name, top right. It's down vote right there, top right. You know what pissed me off the other day? Some guy really got scammed with the fake Instagram account. How do you get scammed in 2022 with a fake Instagram account?
With your fake Instagram?
He's like, I got scammed 17K. I'm like,
you owe me,
brother. You got scammed by the fake account. Nah, this is the only account. And then he tried to argue with me, telling me how I was lying. I'm like, how am I lying? He sent me a screenshot of the ad, and it wasn't even my ad. It was the other ad. I'm like, look at my YouTube channel. All my links are connected to each other, and nowhere does it show that's my Instagram name, bruh. I mean, if you got scammed like that, you deserve to get scammed. Like, how you not like, bro? Why would I message you asking if you want to turn 50 bucks to 70 or 70K to like $1 million bucks? You know, it's ridiculous, bro. That's crazy. RP rent? Yeah, rent for the next like 17 months. This thing is it's just pushing, going back up, pushing back down. Now, if you get a 15-minute bearish candle, and that's different. We can probably take on a 15, but down bad, yeah. For real. But that's what happens when you take shortcuts in life, you know.
What ambient?
Just flipped bullish again. I'm done. I'm over it. I'm me hungry, man.
Me hungry.
Calling for a day this chat. If you call it a day, call it a day. Have a great day and move on to tomorrow, man. This is my last opportunity here. After this, we calling it a day too. See you tomorrow. See you, Sharif. Peace out. How do you like the headphones? I have AirPods Pros, but think y'all of getting a pair of those. I have the AirPods Pros as well, man. They're dope. I mean, they're different headsets. They're different audio devices. This is a headset. That's it. Those are earphones. Those are great for like running and like going for a jog and, you know, being in rain and water and shit. But these are better for, I guess, I don't know, traveling. I don't know, like you go on a transit or something. I don't know. These sound better, obviously. I think these are the best headsets I've ever had in my life. Most comfortable ever. They don't die too. 20-hour battery life.
I'm done. I'm done.
You're not gonna wait for it to break the high? Just not close to this 15?
It's already the 1 hour just flip bullish.
Oh yeah, if we break the highs here, I'm done too. But I'm gonna wait till we break the highs.
I got a headache. I can't stare at the screen no more.
You got a headache? You got a headache?
I do.
You weren't even talking today. How you got
I know, that's the worst. That's the worst part. My eyes haven't left the screen. Watch. If I leave the stream.
Oh, we're flipping. We're flipping, Marcos.
Yeah, you're flipping back and forth. Hey, re-flipping. Bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. It's just going back and forth.
Well, it's a new 4-hour candle, right? Oh well, it's 4 minutes into the 4-hour candle.
It's waiting to see if I leave, and then if I leave, it'll drive. You gotta fake it out.
Well, headphones done. Do extra point headset. Or headphones. I don't know which one it is. Air mod. Oh, AirPod. Gotta change that. Think you funny, huh? Oh, we're flipping bullish again, Marcos. I'm gonna have a great day. See you tomorrow. Yo, see you, DJ River. Have a great day. Before you guys leave, though, make sure you guys leave a like on the stream. Isn't current candle stops better here as a candle shouldn't reject out a way to flip of it wants to continue down? Yeah, think the current 1 hour count stops. Yeah, it's like a what difference though? It's like a half a pip difference. It's an 18 pip stop or a 19.2 pip stop. 18.8 or 19.2. You know, so it's kind of the same thing. Yeah, I mean that's what you want. Ugh.
I think Marcos left his stops and just did. You left your stops?
That's just chalked, man.
Move on to the last 15 of the 4 hour here. Last 15 to the 1 hour here. I think I'm just gonna call it a day, chat. I'm gonna delete the sub stops too, man. It's the last 15 here. We will probably get a move later on, but I think it's better to wait for the 1 hour candle to close, man. But I'm not here for that. If I see that, I will be calling it in the signal channel. I think I'm just gonna call it a day on stream, right, chat? Gold here is pushing down. Gold has opportunities too. If it does close below in 16 minutes here, that 1 hour gold closure below will be cleaned, very clean. Stop loss would be like 37 pips. TP would be like 46 pips, but that's in about 15 minutes here. So be patient for that. Wait for this 1 hour close. All right. Yeah. So you have a lot of, I guess, opportunities still, but it's gonna be off stream for me. I'm gonna get some food, man. I'm starving.
Word.
Yeah. Sorry.
Peace and love.
Yeah, chat. Peace out. Have a great day. Have a great session. Don't overtrade, don't over leverage. I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning at 6:30 I'm Eastern. All right. Peace and love. Leave a like, subscribe to our channel. Thanks, mods, and
the track right here.
see you guys tomorrow. Yeah. See you tomorrow, chat. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. One trade today. One break even.
Cole, I'm with Marley G, bro. Flying Holly Grove chicks to my Hollywood shows. And I wanna tell you something that you probably should know. This that Slumdog Millionaire Bollywood flow. And my real friends never hearing from me. Fake friends write the wrong answers on the mirror for me. That's why I pick and choose. I don't get shit confused. I got a small circle. I'm not with different crews. We walk the same path, but got on different shoes. Live in the same building, but we got different views. I got a couple cars I never get to use. Don't like my women single, I like my chicks in twos. And these days all the girls is down the road. I hit the strip club and all them bitches find a pole. Plus I've been sipping, so this shit is moving kinda slow. Just tell my girl to tell a friend that it's time to go.
Now tell me how you love it. You know you at the top and only heaven's right above it. We own. It's Young Money, motherfucker. If you ain't running with it, run from it, motherfucker. Alright. Now somebody show some money in this bitch. And I got my bees with me like some honey in this bitch. Shit dig. I got my gun in my boot purse. And I don't bust back because I shoot first. Meet me on the fresh train. Yes, I'm in the building. You just on the list of guest names. And all of my riders do not give a fuck. X games. Guns turn you boys into pussies. Sex change. And I smoke till I got chest pains. And you niggas know I rep my gang like Jesse James. Women are possessive and they wanna possess Wayne. I've been fly so long I fell asleep on the fucking plane. Skinny pants and some Vans. Call me Triple A, get my advance in advance. Amen. As the world spinning, dance in my hands. Life is a beach, I'm just playing in the sand. Wake up and smell a pussy. You niggas can't see me, but never overlook me. I'm on the paper trail, it ain't no telling where it took me. Yeah, and I ain't a killer, but don't push me. Now Now tell me how you love it. You know you at the top and on the heavens right above it. We own. It's Young Money, motherfucker. If you ain't running with it, run from it, motherfucker. Alright. Now somebody show some money in this bitch. And I got my bees with me like some honey in this bitch. Shit, dig. I got my gun in my boot purse and I don't bust back because I shoot first. How do he say what's never said? Beautiful black woman, I bet that bitch look better red. Limping off tour cause I made more off my second leg. Motherfucking Birdman Jr., 11th grade. Ball on automatic start. I can hand it to Drake or do a quarterback draw. Wildcat offense, check the paw prints. We in the building, you niggas in apartments. Now come on, be my blood donor. Flow so nice, you ain't gotta put a rug on her. Do it big and let the small fall under that. Damn, where you stumble at? From where they make gumbo at? Hang got the fucking beat jumping like a jumping jack. And you know me, I get on this bitch and have a heart attack. Hip hop, I'm the heart of that. Nigga, nothing short of that. President Carter, Young Money Democrat. Now tell me how you love it. You know you at the top and all the heavens right above it. We own. It's Young Money, motherfucker. If you ain't running with it, run from it, motherfucker. Alright. Now somebody show some money in this bitch. And I got my bees with me like some honey in this bitch. Shit, dig. And I got my gun in my boot purse and I don't